Okay, people, we are live. I am very happy to be back here on my channel to work on my craziest game. This is NerdyPunkDev, and I'm stoked to be back, people. I've been having a lot of fun these last few days and everything. This is really cool. The community growing and shit. People talking, people sending messages, sending jokes, trolling me. So I've been having a lot of fun. So Bit is already there on Twitch. How are you, dude? How was your day? How's your Sunday going? Are you like kind of sad now because the Monday is coming? And anyone else that's watching, let me know if you're watching. Leave a message wherever you are. Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, wherever you are. I'm very happy to talk. Okay, so I've been working on these last few days. Okay, Bit says, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, dude, it must be a bummer, right? Yeah, the Monday coming back and shit. Yeah, dude, shit. So Bit says on Twitch, I'm kind of burning myself out on Blender. I've been doing so much Blender non-stop. Okay, dude, so you gotta be careful with that. You really have to manage your energies, right? With your work and your scheduling shit. If not, you're gonna get like disgusted by it. So do not get disgusted by Blender, dude, because you're making good progress, dude. It would be really shitty that you would have like the crash, and that you got burned out and you would have like the crash in a software or anything. That crash is very common, dude. So be careful with that one. Do not crash. So how are you, dude? Bit says I keep going back and forth deciding between 2D and 3D. Yeah, dude. So what is the idea for your game, dude? You haven't a specific idea for your game, or you haven't decided? You're gonna work with Godot, right? So Bit says on Twitch, because of how much time 3D takes to learn, I wonder maybe this time would be better spent practicing pixel art. Yeah. All of the answers to these questions depend on what your game is gonna be. So what are you aiming for? What are you aiming to create with Godot? What is the vibe of the thing that you want to do, dude? Yeah, because that would very much depend on that, dude. It would really depend on what you want to do. What is the vibe of your game? What is your idea? Okay, that's working. Okay, so I'm gonna add some other stuff to this one today, to like this dungeon entrance and shit. I'm also gonna work in some assets, like some props, because it looks like too flat, right? We need like something here. We need like something around here so it looks cool. So I'm gonna work on that also. And we're gonna make some variations of this dungeon entrance and shit. Maybe other type of elevator, other type of floor. Wanna test how the materials work and everything. So Bit says on Twitch, we're talking about your projects, right? And just to give a bit of context to anyone that's watching, we're talking about scope and focus between projects and software. So Bit says, here's the premise I came up with for your game, right? So you play as an employee in the interdimensional department of paperwork, the IDP, where office tasks have cosmic consequences. The system is broken, the rules don't make sense, and your co-workers include a talking stapler, a paranoid AI, and an eldritch horror who just wants to be a good manager. Dude, that sounds very deep. So yeah, dude, let me read that again to understand like which would be like the better way. You could make this game in 2D or 3D, dude. Yeah, by the way, the story works for both. Yes, I think it works for both. So what are you thinking about the gameplay, dude? Which type of game is this? Like the mechanics and the camera that you're imagining and everything, because that will decide the outcome of which software you should focus on and which kind of knowledge you should focus for. So you can imagine a first-person perspective as well as a top-down. Let me describe a scene I am imagining. Okay, dude, go for it. Okay, so we've got this one. Let me just edit this one, because yeah, we're not gonna have the light. Yeah, that light really doesn't work. Or maybe it does work with other colors, not like this one. Let's try the yellow. Okay. Yeah, it works. It works. The yellow works. It's better than the pink for this context. Just for this context. Okay, so let me move this one a bit to the center. Okay, so Bit says you can imagine a first-person shooter and everything. Okay, let me know about the scene, dude. You gotta decide like which type of game you wanna do instead of like the story, because I could make the same story in different type of games, dude. So this is the scene that you're imagining. You enter a director's office and it's like you've entered a rift in space-time. The floor is missing in the room and it is as though you are surrounded by a vortex. The floor is made of floating platforms and the director is behind his desk at the center of the room. Yes, dude. This could be as you're imagining, dude. As deep as you're imagining, it would work as a first-person perspective game. So thinking about that, and you're thinking more on technical challenges. Yeah, dude. Thinking about that, I would say, dude, that the way to go is, yeah, the way to go is first person. So you would have to work in Blender, dude. You should work in Blender because pixel art isn't gonna help you unless you want to make like a pixel art first person game. Which could be cool, right? But it would be kind of tricky in many ways. So yeah, dude, you gotta decide what are the mechanics, what do you want the game to look, so you can have like a scope. I understand where you are, dude. This happened to me in the past and everything, and the best thing that you can do is really decide which game you gotta do and stay inside those constraints. I said to myself, I want to make a top-down RPG. I stayed within those constraints when I was in Unity. When I came into Unreal, it was going to be tricky, right, to be top-down 2D. So I went with 2.5D, but I'm inside the constraints of a JRPG, turn-based battles and shit, the camera, HD 2D camera and everything. That gives me like a way, dude. There's like a light in the way that I can follow, because I have a clear like a clear way in which I know I can walk on. So you gotta decide on that, dude. So Bit says, which would be more difficult? You can decide the visual effects of the game. Yeah, so you think the game could be done from a top-down pixel art perspective as well? Yeah, dude, it could be. But you say you're also someone who identifies as a perfectionist. It is a big flaw of mine, and I think pixel art in a way punishes you to be perfect. If the pixel art isn't right, you will know right away. Dude, perfectionism can be like one of the biggest burdens and one of the biggest issues for game development as an indie dev, dude. You gotta have scope. Yes, you gotta have scope, dude. You gotta, yeah, dude, you gotta dish that that way of thinking. Yes, we have to do cool shit, dude. We definitely have to do cool shit, but at the same time we also have to know where things what things can we manage. I am not perfectionist in many ways, dude. I could be, because I've been a perfectionist also throughout my life, but I gotta know, dude, when to stop and which things need to be perfect and which not, because that can yeah, that can stop progress, dude. That can really stop progress. So you gotta dish that mentality and start making the progress and go fixing like the rough edges throughout the journey of making the game, dude. So you gotta decide, dude. You gotta decide which kind of game you want to make. If it is a pixel art one, if it is a first person one, top down, because that will give you like there's like the light at the end of the tunnel. You're gonna see that light and you're gonna decide, yes, I want to go with Blender, or I'm gonna go with Aseprite, or I'm gonna go with Blockbench, low poly. Gotta decide on which game you gotta do, because then you're gonna get all of the answers on which thing to learn. Yeah, dude, that's the only thing that I could tell you. That is what's gonna Yeah, what's gonna like give you the answers, dude? Definitely, dude. Yeah. Yeah, I know, dude. I know that it is not easy. Not at all. Not at all, but one has to have, definitely has to have a scope and focus. Yeah, both. Yo, what the fuck is this? Oh, yeah, this one. Let's ditch that. We do not need that one anymore. So, this one, maybe just a bit down here. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. Almost there. Almost. Yeah. Oh, almost there. Holy shit. Okay, there it is. We should be able to get on back on top of the elevator. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So this is what I'm getting. So let's go back into the event graph, and we're gonna change it here. Okay, getting back to chat in a bit, people. So Bit says, yeah, the pixel art isn't right. You will know right away. Yes, dude, you will know. I know many of the things that I'm doing aren't like the best, dude. I'm not an expert pixel artist, but I'm trying to like balance things, like doing some things on one place, some things on another. Francisco Velasquez says on YouTube, what's up? Oh shit, a dungeon. Let's fucking go. Yes, dude, let's fucking go. I've been working on this shit, dude. Yeah, I've been working on like the entrance. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Let me just fix this one. This one's gonna be in 0. So I've been working on the entrances of the dungeons. This is like a lobby, right? We get inside from the overworld, and we get on top of the elevator that takes us down to the underworld. Okay, so that's what I've been working on in these last few days. So yeah, there it is, dude. What are you up to, dude? What are you working on, Francisco Velasquez? This is Calavero, by the way, on Twitch. You may have seen him on Twitch. This is also Calavero, subscriber on Twitch. So, Bit, how are you? What are you thinking about what we're talking? Fricker, yo, what's up? Fricker says, hi, did you finish the music track you were working on for your game? No, dude, I haven't finished that one. And I gotta finish it, dude, because I was liking the vibe. I kept working on it, not on the live stream, but I kept working on it. Maybe I will finish it on another live stream, dude. Maybe not. Maybe in the next music live stream, which I do not know which one will be the next music live stream, dude. I'm like with a lot of stress right now, Freaker, because I gotta send a demo build for a festival. So yeah, haven't been working that much on the music, but I gotta sit down. Gotta sit down to work back on the music for some ideas that I have for different places. So yeah, dude. Yeah, haven't finished it. How about you? How's everything going? Have you been working on your stuff? Okay, so let's try this one again. It shouldn't go back up. Yeah, you shouldn't be going back, dude. What the fuck is happening there? Let me see. Okay, so how was this working? Let me check it out. Okay, so I've got one of the other ones. Yeah, lift. Sci-fi lift. This one? Yeah, this one. Okay, let me check this out. Yeah, it shouldn't be going back. Yo, so Freaker says on YouTube, yeah, the game I was doing music for, I just played his demo for a festival. The music for the demo is all done. That's awesome, dude. Which festival is this one? That's really cool, dude. Did you enjoy the process? Was it like a tight deadline and shit? How was it? I'm on a tight deadline right now, dude. I'm kind of a bit stressed, but enjoying it at the same time. It's the dream, right? Being on a tight deadline about making a demo build for your game and shit. So that is the good life. So Fricker says the music for the demo is all done. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I read that one. So yeah, dude. Which festival it is? How was it? Like the deadline and everything, the whole process. Okay, so what the fuck are you going back, dude? Yeah, you shouldn't be going back. So I am reversing this. Oh yeah, I am reversing this one. Just reversing that one. Ah yes, yeah. this one shouldn't go there. Okay, let me think about this. So here's the reverse and shit. Okay, let me check this one out. Yeah, the thing is that, yeah, it's this one, dude. It's that one. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, that one is the one that is reversing the thing. The fuck is happening, dude? Okay, what did I do here? Did I disconnect the right one? Yo, Bit, where you at, dude? Hazedev, yo, Hazedev in a motherfucking house on Kick, Sub Nerdy, playing Marvel Rivals right now. You deserve it, dude. You really deserve that play session. How is it going, dude? Are you like killing it, or are you getting your ass kicked? Which of both? How are you, dude? How are you feeling, Haze? Fricker says it's called the Cerebral Puzzle Showcase, and in his demo has to be complete and on Steam by March 29th. Oh, really cool, dude. Really cool Cerebral Puzzle Showcase. Hadn't heard about this one, dude. I'm gonna check it out, dude. I'm gonna check it out. You should send me the info through Discord. I'm always NerdyPunkDev. That is my username. Send it to through the DM, or you could also post it on the server. That would be really cool to see that showcase. Bit says, I'm here just chilling. Did I make you like think deeply, dude? Are you like in existential crisis because of the conversation? Hazedev says, I'm killing it. Awesome, dude. That is really cool that you're killing it and that you're enjoying your time off game development. Fricker says the schedule for me has been pretty chill compared to how much work he has to do. Yes, I could imagine this guy is like feeling that he's gonna become insane in the next few weeks and shit. Bit says, I've been thinking deeply for a long time. I feel like I go back and forth a lot. Fricker says, okay, yeah, you should send it to me, dude. Bit, I get you, dude. I have been in the same position a lot of times, not only with video games, with everything, dude, with app development, with startups, with animation. And the biggest, dude, the biggest obstacle of progress is not deciding what to do, because we can fall in tutorial hell, we can fall in ideas hell, dude, in game design document hell. I've seen that, dude. People like refining and polishing game design documents for months and months, and also like storyboards and everything. Dude, I am not cheating on that, because we all have to do that in the process. But at the same time, dude, we gotta do the games. That is where you're gonna find out what to do and what to learn and how to do the things, dude. Start making whichever game you want to make. Just start, dude, because I understand you, dude. I feel like when you say I feel like I go back and forth a lot, yes, dude, I have been there many times in my life, in my learning process with computers and shit and everything. So yeah, I could tell you, dude, that yes, just sit down, dude. Sit down and start building anything, but also have a clear view of where you're gonna go, because that will really give you the answers to stop going back and forth between tools and everything. Yeah, dude, just decide on the game and stay with that one. Stick with it. Whichever idea you decide on, stick with that one. You're gonna find the answers. The idea is gonna give you the answers. Dude, I know that I do not know many things inside Unreal Engine. I do not know like all of this control rig shit, dude. Having to use like many animation blueprints, like the mannequins and shit. All of that, I do not know many of those systems. I know what I know because of the game that I needed to make, dude. So the game gave me the answers to decide what should I work on. So find the game you need to make, dude, and that's gonna give you the answers. Yeah, dude. You gotta know which things to ditch, which things you do not need to learn. Because if not, dude, you'll be in that back and forth tutorial hell. Because I have been there, dude. I have really been there. I understand that feeling. Yo, Freaker, did you send it, dude? Did you send it on Discord? It'd be really cool to get the info about that. Okay, so what is happening there? Are you like, okay, it's not getting back now. Okay, so okay, it's working. This is working. I gotta fix the button now. Gotta fix the button now. Maybe I could have like these same branches here. Yeah, I need these same branches here. Yeah. So bit, yeah, dude. That's all that I could tell you, dude. Like, I do not have all the answers, but I have been in the same position as you, dude. And those answers are found throughout the process of building whichever thing you want to build. I do not need to go and learn ZBrush, dude. That doesn't suit my needs for my game. So you're gonna get the answers, dude, when you decide which game you want to make. Bit says, what I care about most when it comes to wanting to make a game is the story. For me, it doesn't necessarily matter what perspective the game is in, but what I would prefer is the quickest path to my end result. Yes, dude, I would say the same thing. What I care the most when it comes to making a game for me is the story, dude. I have always been someone that wants to tell stories. That's what I'm trying to do with Spaceman Memories. I've got the puzzles right and the battles and everything, but I want to tell a story. So I could have told this story in first person, in third person, dude, top down pixel art. In many ways, dude. In VR, I could have told the same story. But when I decided on which kind of game I wanted to make, I stuck with that one. Until I had to change an engine, right? But when I changed the engine, I also stuck with that specific version of a game. So the quickest path to your end result could be many, dude. They could be many. So find the answer to that question, dude, and all the other doors are gonna open very quickly, dude. That's all that I could tell you, dude. Yeah, that's what happened to me, dude. That is what really happened to me. Okay, I'm gonna have this one. So this one is reverse. This one goes into play. And we're gonna get timeline button. Yeah, where are you, timeline? Yo, where's the timeline? Holy shit. Oh yeah, there it is. Yo, me 2024 followed on Twitch. How are you? How are you? It's me EA 2024. Me 2024. Tell me what is the right pronunciation. If you do not want to chat, don't worry, no pressure. If you want to send a message, send the message. I'm open to talk, to answer any questions. Thanks a lot for the follow, really appreciate it. So yeah, bit, that is some deep conversation, dude. It is a really deep conversation. You gotta find the answers, dude. So the answer, that when you find the answer, you're gonna find out the tools that you gotta learn. That is just how it is, dude. Okay, timeline move platform. This one will go here. Timeline button. Okay, what am I doing here? This one will go here. Yeah, I need the same thing for the button. Yeah, same thing for the button. Is the button, what is like the, yeah, the timeline of this one is different. Okay, so this one goes to 1. Yeah. Okay, so this one would be 1 here. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if this works. Okay, the button gets pressed and everything. Yeah, that works. We're moving and shit. I get off it. Are you fucking resetting, dude? Fucking reset. It's not resetting, dude. Yeah, I need that button to get it. Yeah, this is some fucking stupid problem that I know that I can solve like in 2 minutes, but being on the live stream really makes me take longer with this kind of things. So yeah, if it is taking too long, I'm just gonna get to the next thing and fix it very quickly after the stream. Yeah, because it can become a bit of a problem, that shit. That really has happened to me in many live streams. I am with a problem that I cannot solve. I go like for half an hour, 40 minutes, and then after the stream I do it in 1 fucking minute. So that is just a lack of focus, like the brain bandwidth, like not being at its full potential, because I have to be chatting and everything. So yeah, but or anyone else that's watching, leave a message, wanna chat, that'd be really cool. We're having some really deep conversations today. This is different, dude. This is different from yesterday where we were having the crazy ass funny conversations. Today we started with the deep ones. There are different kind of days in the internet, on Twitch, everywhere. Okay, so where's this one? Okay, so if we go on top of this and this one is equal to 0, we're gonna play it. Bit says no, today is also shitty pants day. No, dude, let's not start talking about that shit. You lost the risk you were having yesterday, dude, when you were like hitting on my sister because of talking about shitty pants. So let's not start with that shit. Okay, so yeah, this one. So if we got on top of that one and this one is equal to 1. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this shit later. Yeah, I know this is gonna take too much time and it can get boring, and I know I can fix it very quickly. I just need to focus. Okay, so let's continue here. I was like seeing some references. I really like the vibe of this game. This is Zelda Link's Awakening on Nintendo Switch. So I really like the vibe of this game. This is like one of my influences for Spaceman Memories. This game is one of the games that made me decide to go with the type of camera that I'm using in some ways, not in every way, because it's more like top down, but I got some influences for like the graphics and everything. So the game design and the world and shit. So let me look at some stuff about dungeons on this game so we can see like what else can we. Okay, I'm seeing some cool shit now. I'm seeing some cool shit that we can get here. Yeah, the walls, on the corners. We're gonna go with something different for this dungeon, because we already have these lanterns down the right. It would be too repetitive for my taste to use them also here, because I'm already using them down here, right? So we're gonna ditch those ones. I'm gonna ditch these ones. Let's make something where we can place the fireplace, right? We've got a fireplace, so let me fire up Blockbench. So okay, let me read chat again. So Bit says I had to keep it going in Joey Toro's stream too. Oh dude, you want to talk about the shitty pants in Joey Toro's stream? Yes, that is also true, dude. When I went to sleep, dude, after I left, did you keep talking about that? What was the vibe of the stream of Joey? Okay, so let's go into Blockbench. Yeah, let me check out like these references. I'm liking some stuff that I'm seeing here. Yeah, we could make like some fire torches that are hanging from the walls. We could work on that. We could also do those ones, these ones, the ones that are on the sides. So I like that. I like that. Okay, so Bit says on Twitch, on chat, it was late for me. I saw Pakaku again. Yes, dude. Yeah, Pakaku is really cool. Detective Pakaku is a really cool person, dude. So have you like made Pakaku in other places besides Joe's and mine stream? Bit says third stream I've seen him in. It was on Joe's and mine's or any other. Okay, so let's go into Blockbench so we can start like doing those, like these are like those fireplaces on the corners. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's create a new generic model. This one's going to be fireplace. I've got a fireplace. So what could this be? Let me check this out. So okay, getting back to chat in a bit, people. So yeah, I'm looking for some references here on my other monitor. I just want to see like fireplace, Zelda, Link's Awakening. I like that. I like that one. I like the vibe of that one. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna wing it. Let's just wing it and figure it out throughout the way. So getting back to chat, I'm gonna read chat now. Bit says there was one another, I can remember the name, some other game dev, German guy. Yeah, I do not know about that one, dude. What was the vibe, dude? What was the vibe of this German guy? Where you also found Pakaku? That is so funny, dude. So Detective Pakaku's always looking out for game developers on Twitch, right? That is his vibe, or her vibe. Do not know the gender of Detective Pakaku, by the way, but very, very cool person. Okay, let's create a new, maybe cylinder. Yeah, let's go with a cylinder. Yo, Hayes, how are the Marvel rival sessions going? Are you still killing it or getting your ass kicked? Okay, let's go. Let's do this one. Okay, I'm gonna do an inset here. Yeah, this works. And we're gonna do an extrusion to like the interior of this. Okay, so right inside there we're gonna place those fireplaces, right? Yeah, which will look cool. It would look cool. I'm gonna show you. What else can we have here? So let me check chat. Yeah, last message. So chat, whoever's watching, let me know if you're watching, you want to send a message, you want to ask me anything about my game, about Unreal Engine. I will answer to the best of my ability. Okay, so we've got this one. I'm gonna extrude these ones. Yeah, you'll see what I'm doing this. Okay, I'm gonna extrude those ones. Yeah, I'm gonna extend it 4. Yeah, 4. I think 4 works well. I think. Maybe not, maybe yes. Let me just check this out. Yeah, I think 4 works well. Nah, maybe 3. Yeah, 3 works better. Okay, so here's where we're gonna have that, like the fire and shit. Okay, let me grab these faces. Yo, is everyone sleeping today? Chat is very, very chill today, which is very, very weird, because chat is really, really crazy here every day on the NerdyPunkDev channel. Yesterday was like too fucking crazy. So what is up with everyone today? Did everyone went to sleep today? What is the vibe today? Should I be sleeping like all of you people? Okay, we're gonna yo, Bit just cheered with 100 bits. This is like the best mix of words, dude. Bit cheering with bits. Thank you, my dude. Really appreciate it. You're the man, dude. Thank you. Really appreciate it, dude. Dude, by the way, this German guy, thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. This German guy, dude, the one that you're talking about, which engine is he using? What is the vibe of what he works on? And is he like chill, like Joey and me, wants to talk? Or is this like the type of streamer that doesn't interact? Which of both? Okay, let's get this one. Yeah, okay. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done this. Yeah, I shouldn't have done this, not yet. So okay, so I'm gonna do a loop cut here. Another direction. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that, because I need this one first. I really need this extrusion first. So again, Let's extrude all of this. Yeah, I needed this one before. Yeah. What else? We should do another loop cut here so we can add like the thing where it supports the whole structure. So Bit says about this German guy also live streaming. You honestly forgot. It was really early. I was starting work and clicked a random stream, and there it was. Pakaku was there. Holy shit. That is some Joey Toro's NerdyPunkDev lore, dude. Finding Pakaku in this random stream on the internet. Oh shit, dude, that is so funny. I wouldn't have expected that to happen in a million years, dude, that you would find Pakaku there. Shit, dude. Yeah, that's really, really funny, dude. Okay, so what are those emojis? This is Minecraft cube. Shit. Shit, dude, didn't know we had those Minecraft cubes here on Twitch. That's really, really cool, dude. Okay, I'm gonna extrude this one. This one will be like the thing that I'm talking about. Yeah, okay, so that one. We got it. And let's do another extrusion, I think. Yeah. How about this? Yeah, this would be like the support, right? Oh shit, the fuck. Okay, so can I do this? What happens if I do this? Do I fuck the whole geometry? Oh shit, yeah. I duplicated it. Yeah. Okay, this works. This works. This is like the support for the thing on the floor. Yo, Bit, that is so fun, dude. This German guy, you don't even remember what the fuck was happening on the live stream. You found Detective Pakaku there. So, for whoever's watching and you're wondering, like, what the fuck are these people talking about? Detective Pakaku is another character from the Joey Toro community. Joey Toro comes to my stream, I go to Joey Toro's stream, and Detective Pakaku came to the stream because of Joey. Like the first time I met Pakaku was because of Joey. So yeah, Detective Pakaku is like a very, very faithful watcher from Joey's community, just like Bit with me. Bit is like always sending the first message in chat, so they're very cool people, both of them. So it is funny that you found each other on this random ass live stream on the internet, dude. That is really, really funny. Okay, so how does... Yeah, I don't like this shit. I'm gonna undo. Yeah, not liking the vibe there. So Bit says, I'm a first subscriber. Yeah, dude, you are an OG. You are an OG here in the NerdyPunkDev community. Definitely, dude. And you can see that everyone watching on Twitch, you can see Bit as a VIP. And yesterday, Bit was hitting on my sister, and everything went to shit when you started talking about your shitty pants, dude. Yeah, dude, you killed it. You killed the vibe with that. Yeah, let me think about how I'm gonna model this one. So yeah, I'm thinking, I'm picturing it on my head. Like, how do I want to do this one? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So I'm gonna add like some loop cuts here also. 2 loop cuts. Yeah, offset. Not there. Okay, and these faces. Yeah, these ones I'm just gonna make them bigger. I'm gonna resize them a bit. Yeah, just like that. Awesome. So Bit says, and I found you through YouTube first. Oh, dude, I didn't remember that. I didn't remember you came through YouTube. What the fuck was happening that day, dude? Do you remember that day, the first time you found the live stream? Like, how did you find it? That is so funny, dude. Having like these talks, nostalgia talks about the NerdyPunkDev channel. Like, if I was like I had been live streaming for 10 years. It already feels like 10 years, dude. This like 38, 39 days. YouTube has that like, yeah, not shorts, but it's like YouTube version of TikTok. Oh yeah, you were scrolling and on the live streams, right? Yes, it has like that version of live streams. Yeah, like shorts, but on live streams. Shit, dude, that is really, really cool. Yeah, many people must have come to the channel because of that. That's really, really cool, dude. And now you're on Twitch, dude. You're on Twitch, not watching the ads like in YouTube and shit. Because you're a cool subscriber. Thank you, dude. Really, really appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna exit this one again. Let's do 4. Nah, 4 was too much. Let's do it again. You'll see what I'm trying to do. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but it will make sense very, very quickly. Okay, that's really cool. So Bit says, I watch so much game dev stuff already because I'm learning game dev myself, pixel art and modeling and Godot. I think I was looking up stuff on Crocotile when I found you. Yes, dude. Shit, dude. It feels like a lifetime ago. Meeting all of you people feels like a lifetime ago, dude. I cannot believe this shit. Yeah, and it's been just like less than 40 days, dude. Less than 40 days ago, and it feels like we've been like bros for years. Yeah, dude. The internet is so funny. Okay, that one doesn't work, so I'm just gonna do the loop cut here, face by face. So direction, okay, that one, we've got it. Loop cut here. Yeah, dude, it really feels like a lifetime ago. That is so crazy. This is a chill day, dude. I can feel the vibes of a live stream since the beginning. A live stream will be crazy or chill depending on the vibes of the beginning of the live stream. That is like the rule. So today, yeah, it will be a chill day. We should keep the serious conversations going because this is really cool, dude. Yo, Bit, how did you decide on Godot, dude? What was like the vibe there? Like, why did you feel compelled to work with Godot and not other engines? Yeah, because everyone has their own story with engines, right? Oh yeah, this is what I was thinking, what I was looking for. Fuck yeah. Yeah, dude, how did you decide on it? That is a really cool story to hear. Or anyone else that's watching, how did you decide on the engine that you started working on? I always like to hear that story. Okay, offset 4. Yeah, let's do the same thing here. Loop cut, offset 4. Nah, direction and 4. Okay, yeah, this works. Loop cut, offset this direction and 4. Awesome. Loop cut, offset. Oh shit, no. Okay, awesome. Yo, so Bit says on Twitch, for me, I had already spent a lot of time with Blender and was using Unity. And then you know what happened to Unity? Yes, I know that shit. Since my PC doesn't work well with Unreal, this is Bit saying on Twitch, since my PC doesn't work well with Unreal, Godot was kind of my last option. I did look at Game Maker a lot, but I wasn't certain I wanted to commit to a 2D game. Oh yeah, dude, it all makes sense. Yeah, checks out. Yeah, not having a much of a powerful computer and shit. And yeah, going for the engine that uses less resources. Godot is that one. This is some lightweight motherfucking engine, people. You cannot believe it. If you haven't used Godot, this is some really lightweight software. It is like very optimized and shit. You don't even have to go and install it. You just fucking run it. It's fucking crazy. Because if you have like used Unity and Unreal Engine, that shit really blows your mind. Yeah, for fucking sure. It really blows your mind how lightweight it's Godot, dude. So yeah, it made sense for you. Yo, Bit, so you can use it in a browser and make games on Chromebooks. Yes, dude. That is some really fucking lightweight game engine. People cannot imagine how lightweight it is until like you try it. Yeah, dude, compared to like these engines, like Unreal Engine and Unity, those motherfuckers take a lot of resources, dude. Yeah, for sure. Yo, Bit, and how did you like... do you use a laptop, dude, a desktop, which of both? And when are you gonna get a more powerful one? Because you got a really good looking new car, dude. So I'm thinking like, what's up there with the computers? Because you got the car, right, to go out with the girls and shit. So when are you getting the equivalent of the cool looking car, but for a computer? Yeah. Oh shit, I'm just trolling our friend Bit. But that is true, people. I'm not even talking shit. Bit really got a cool looking ass car. Yeah. So when are you getting the cool looking ass computer, dude? In which you can run like any fucking engine, dude. You should be able to run Unreal Engine 10 in that new one. Bit says you have a desktop, 2060 Super and Ryzen 7. Oh, so it's a good computer. I could lower lots of settings in Unreal, but Unreal has so much stuff I won't use. But it could run it, dude. I was running Unreal Engine 5 in a less powerful computer than that one. Yeah, when I started with it. Bit says my current PC can play most games with no problem, so I don't see reason to upgrade. Yes, dude. I wouldn't see reason to upgrade also. Did you try to install Unreal Engine, dude? Did you really try to install it or not? Because if you didn't try to install it, you may just be thinking that you cannot run it, but you could, dude. You're already with Godot, right? So yeah, it wouldn't make a lot of sense, but you could, dude. Because I had a less of a powerful computer than that one, and I was running Unreal Engine 5. That's where I started Spaceman Memories on that previous laptop that I had. And these are laptops, dude. I am running a laptop here. Yeah, and the previous one that I had was also a laptop. And both worked with Unreal Engine. It's not that I could go and make like Elden Ring, right? Yeah. But I could make shit. I could make shit. And it didn't really run slow. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, I'm just polishing this mesh. Let me look at the reference and shit. Okay, let's see how we can make this one look a bit better and shit. You'll see what I'm trying to do. Very, very quickly. We're gonna bring this into Unreal Engine. We're gonna texture this one. We're gonna bring it and we will see. Ah, yes. This is a good idea. I'm gonna grab this one, this one, this one, and this one. We're gonna extrude them. So Polyphene, yo, what's up, my dude? So nerdy, looking forward to Majorana 1. I bet it will be able to make some impressive waifus. Yo, dude, what the fuck is happening? Yo, dude. Oh, yes. I was like, what the fuck is this Majorana and the waifus and shit? No, I remember, dude. I just didn't remember the name. But Microsoft is fucking cooking, dude, with that quantum ship. Yeah, I just didn't remember the name, and I was like, the fuck is this? And the waifus. Yeah, dude. So how are you, Polyphene? Dude, that is looking really, really interesting. But it doesn't seem... I think that many of these companies are just like really, really hyping the quantum computing shit. Yeah, they are really hyping it. Yeah, for marketing reasons. It's not that we're not gonna get there, but when I start to read and do some research about it, it seems like there's a lot of hype behind this, and we're not like that close to like work in real world quantum computing. So what do you think about it, Polyphene? Did you read about it? So Bit says you were talking about Unreal, right? So you feel like the compile times are so long. With Godot, I snap my fingers and the project is running. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it could be, dude. It could be. but it could be also the are you running like a good SSD and everything, dude, on your rig? Dark Day 1 says Majorauna 1 equal to Skynet equal to Gay Ghost. Could be, dude. That could be like the future. Dark Day 1. This chip could bring us the AI that takes over the world and invents the Gay Ghost. That could be some real nerd weird ass lord from the NerdyPunkDev community. How are you, dude? Polyphene says, I'm good organizing some files. What about you? Yeah, it will take some quite some time. I think it's impressive. A step forward. It is impressive, dude. It is impressive as like the things that Google has been Google has been showing. Really fucking impressive. Concerning in many ways, because when we get to like quantum computing, and I think the Chinese ones, whoever company it is, or the government are also working on this shit, and they have made good advancements on it, but they're not gonna talk about it. So it could be concerning because of security reasons, right? All of this quantum computing stuff. So Bit says Samsung 1990 Evo 4 with 4 terabytes. That is a quick one, dude. Yeah, that's weird, dude. When you're talking about compiling, dude, you're referring to this like when I press play testing, or are you like referring to exporting, do the build to play outside the engine? Was that the thing that was taking too long? Polyphene says one step closer to everything going to shit. Yes, dude. Yes. I was just watching the last episode of Silicon Valley for like the 20th time in my life today. I watched the last episode today. I finished it again. And in the story, if anyone has watched it, something like this happens. Everything could go to shit if any of these technologies can start breaking encryption and shit. So who fucking knows what will happen, dude? Bit says correct when you run the project. Oh, that is weird, dude, because you can check it out. This is a laptop, dude, and it runs very quickly. That is very weird, dude. Yeah, but you're with Godot now, so you shouldn't worry about it. Dark Day 1, what are you up to, dude? Polyphene says never seen the show. I will at some point. You should. You are gonna love that shit, dude, because of your dark humor. You're a nerd, computer nerd and shit, so you're gonna get a lot of the jokes. You're gonna enjoy it. So Polyphene, have you tried, like, you're talking about files, organizing some files. What do you use? Are you using like Windows Explorer? What are you using for this file organizing? Okay, so depending on your answer, I'm gonna say the next thing that I'm gonna say. Okay, so what was I doing? Yeah, let's go back here. That is just like my attention span that works like shit. I go and answer a message and I can't remember what I was doing. I gotta get back. So let's log in again. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna do another extrusion to this one. Yeah, and let's move all of these ones down here. Oh yeah, this is the thing that I was looking for. Polyphene says regular file explorer, but open to suggestions. I'm a data hoarder. Oh shit, dude. Holy shit. Check this shit out. This shit is some fucking magic shit that I don't know what the fuck is happening. This is a new thing that just came out last week. It's on an open beta. It's free, the beta and shit. This is called File Pilot, and it is extremely fucking quick, dude. I cannot believe this shit. It's got like very quick like tabs and shit. You can like set up like different layouts and shit. I'm gonna show the website here, because File Explorer, I'm like, what the fuck is this? It makes look Window Explorer like shit, dude. Yeah, File Pilot. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna send the website in chat. So it is really quick, dude. That is the best thing about it, really quick. But you've got other things like search is very quick, inspector is very quick, batch renaming, panels and tabs, command palette. You have a command palette, which is really cool, dude. Yeah, previews, dude. This shit is like, I have been like, this past week I have been like, what the fuck is this? No, anything to do with Copilot? No, it has nothing to do with Copilot, dude. It is just one guy doing this because he fucking hates Windows Explorer. as long as it lets me customize things to my needs and liking. Check it out, dude. Just try it. Maybe it will suit your needs, maybe it will not, but I can vouch for this software because I've been using it and it's like super quick. And there's customization and everything. Yeah, there is customization, like font size, spacing, animations, different color schemes, like, yeah, everything, dude. So check it out. Just try it. Let me know what you think, like, in a couple days. So that's really cool, dude. I know you're a data hoarder because of the thing that you said the other day about using Mirk to browse through other people's hard drives and shit. Yeah, dude. Dark Day 1, you just came and said that weird shit and then you went away, so what the fuck is up with that, dude? How are you, Dark Day 1? How was your Sunday? So Polyphene says on Twitch, I will for sure. I told you about the 4 terabytes I lost. I'm starting again. Yes, dude. So you should try File Pilot if you are this kind of data hoarder. I know you can start to like this shit. I have been using it, dude, and it's really good. Okay, coffee stream but auto message. We're up to 1 hour already, so let's keep fucking going. So Polyphene, what have you been working on today, dude, or these last few days? So it's been a couple days, right, since we last talked. So what's the vibe? What are you working on? Have you been like working in Godot, trying new shit? Polyphene say, oh, it's $40. No, just download the free beta, dude. The free beta is 100 times better than the File Explorer. It has a free beta. Just download that one. Yeah, and you can keep that one. The free beta, you're gonna be able to keep using it. It's already very powerful, better, dude, better than Windows File Explorer, even if it's just a beta. So no, dude, don't worry about the pricing and shit. Just download the free one. The paid version is just like for people that want to support the development, because this is just one guy making it. It is closed source and is one guy making it. So Bit says, I'm off to bed. You'll have a good night. Thank you, my dude. Have a good night. You too. I hope you have a good week and everything goes well in work, so you can keep working on your game. You figure it out and you lock in, dude. We need to lock in. We really need to lock in to finish all of these projects, dude. So have a good night, dude. Thanks a lot for coming and for your continued support, dude. Really cool. Polyphene says, see ya a bit. Yeah, see ya, dude. Yes, so Polyphene, yes, dude. Just download the beta. Yeah. If you want to like pay for it, that is optional. That is really optional. Darknet One says, yeah, good, thanks. I was looking into how to do card games in Unreal, but not a lot of tutorial for it. See a bit, says Darknet One. Yeah, dude, the thing about Unreal, it's that it's not like the engine for like things like card games, right? You could definitely do whichever fucking game you want to make in Unreal, but it's not like natural, right? So it makes sense that you wouldn't find like a lot of tutorials for that. Yeah, so what are you thinking about, dude? Are you thinking about making a card game? Okay, let's make the texture for this one. We're not gonna combine islands. This one's going to be fireplace 01, maybe 16 or 32. Maybe 16 is more than enough. Let me check that out. Ah, yeah, 16 is more than enough for this one. Polyphene says, okay, I didn't do much in Godot. We're talking about what have you worked on these last few days, right? So you started a bit more of it, wrapping head again about functions, watch a show, a movie, and fucked around voice and text to voice AI. Oh, shit, dude. I've been looking at that also. What are you using for voice and text to voice AI? Which tools are you like trying? Polyphene says, Darknet One, Godot is perfect for that. Okay, for card games. Yeah, dude. I would imagine it is perfect for something like card games. You could make one in Unreal, but I haven't seen many people doing a card game in Unreal. It is not that natural. Yeah. And I'm not even like cheating on Unreal or anything. but it's more like for other kind of things, even though you could do anything with any of the engines. Okay, let me go and try to do an inset here. We're gonna make an inset here. Yeah, so we can move all of these faces. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was looking for. I'm gonna create the texture again. Let's delete this one and let's create a texture again. This one's going to be fireplace 01. Don't combine islands. Confirm. And let's go and paint this. So what would be the vibe for this? Yeah, maybe like some grayish. Maybe. Let's see. Like what kind of material would this thing have? Should be like metal, right? Yeah, like bronze or like regular metal and shit. So let me look at that. Let's reset the music. Getting back to chat. So Polyphim says, Darkner once says, few people now my friends here playing my battle faction game. Are you talking about? Yeah. To which question is this the answer, dude? Few people now my friends here playing my battle faction game. So yeah, I may not get you what you said there, dude. So give me a bit of context so I can understand you better. Sorry about that. Polyphim says, all talks TTS. It's kind of crazy how easy it is to clone the voice. 14-second sample and that's it. Shit, dude. Shit. I haven't tried that one. All talks TTS. I have been like trying stuff with this. What is the fucking name of this, dude? This one even translates like your voice to other languages. Heigen. Have you tried Heigen, dude? Yeah, Heigen is very powerful. Have you seen that one? Yeah, Darkner one, let me know, dude. What were you referring on that message? And very sorry if I got lost there. Okay, we've got this color. Yeah, this color suits me. Darkner one says you played a video of that card, even posted the executable on your Discord. Oh yeah, yeah. So, but are you thinking about like doing the card game in Unreal, dude, or are you like open to other engines? What is the vibe there on what you want to do with this project? Sounds interesting, dude. Sounds interesting. Yeah, you showed me the other one. Yeah, you're talking about the other one. Yeah, the previous game. Yes. Now I get you. What you're talking about. Are you like aiming to remake this game, the one you were talking about the other day on Unreal? Polyphim says no, just try that one because it looks simple to install and it was simple. Okay, we're talking about this text-to-speech voice and AIs. Yeah, dude, check out Heigen. Heigen is fucking crazy, dude. You can like upload a video like in English. It's gonna like change your voice to another language and also change the animations on your fucking mouth, dude. It's some crazy ass shit. Yeah. Really crazy, dude. Okay, let's enable layers here. Yeah, not that one. Face. Okay, I'm just gonna paint some random faces in like some highlights and shit, just to like make it look not so flat. And then I'm gonna paint on top of it like in a layer, like some imperfections and shit. This should be very simple, nothing too fancy, nothing that takes me too much time, because I want to make some other assets today for these dungeon entrances, dungeon lobbies, who fucking knows what they are. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. So let's create a new layer here, and this one we're gonna go with the paintbrush. We're gonna make the size bigger and softness 30. Yeah, 30 it is. And let's change this one to overlay. Yeah. Okay, no, this is too fucking red. Okay, too big of a okay, there it is. Okay, so Polyphim says just wanted to see if Dipsic could talk look to me, and it did. Oh shit, dude. Defected Gaming says, hello fellow kids, hello our fellow game developer and content creator. How are you, dude? How was your live stream? I saw you were live streaming, dude, but I wasn't able to watch it because I was like, I just got the notification, but I was like doing some other stuff, wasn't able to watch it, dude, so very sorry for that. But I hope that your live stream went well. How was the vibe of their live stream? Like, you managed to do like good progress and shit, dude, like do some good ideas? How is everything Defected Gaming? So Darknet One says, like to redo it just to finish it. We're talking about your game, right? This one that you lost. To give a bit of context to anyone that's watching, Darknet One, also a game developer, you like to redo it to finish it off. It was balanced and easy and fun to play. It was the editor behind the game. What I need as it is how I could create new cars for the game. Are you thinking about Unreal, dude? Because Polyfilm said a good comment there, like Godot could be a good option, dude, and there must be like even more tutorials about like a card game for Godot. I'm pretty sure, because it is more on the lane of something like Godot. Or are you like just looking to make it work in Unreal in whichever way possible? Okay, so this is looking cool. It isn't looking that stupid as I thought it was gonna look, but it is looking interesting. So let's bring it into Unreal very quickly and shit. So yeah, there it is. Okay, let me paint this one. I don't need that one there. Okay, awesome. Let's export this shit. Let's fucking go. Yo, so Defected Gaming says, no worries, bros. It was good. I was alone as usual. Dude, I'm gonna read your whole comments, but you said I still made some progress on the work in progress I was working on, posted in chat earlier. I like the effects in UE5, says Darknet One. Oh, so stay in UE5 then, dude. Yeah, so if it is your vibe, just stay in this one. Yeah, you should just make it in whichever one you feel more comfortable. So Defected Gaming, talking about your live stream, dude. Hey Zef says, I'm back. How are you, dude? How was your, did you get your ass kicked in Marvel Rivals? So Defected, dude, I tried live streaming last year also, and it wasn't as fun as this year, dude. Yeah, like I wasn't getting conversations and everything. I was just like mostly talking by myself. So I get you, dude. I get you that it is not easy. So you gotta like try different schedules, different kind of hours and shit to find your niche, to find your community. You're gonna find it, dude. You're gonna find it. So that's really cool, dude, that you're with good energy. You're like seeing it in a positive way. But that also happened to me, dude. I think it happens to everyone that tries live streaming. It is not easy. It's not an easy process. Hey, Zef, you got your ass kicked. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. H1 says, hey, what's up? How are you, my dude? How was your weekend? Are you like pumped about the week, about Monday, or are you like bummed about because tomorrow is Monday? Hey, Zef says, or just stream 16 hours and see when it's the most popping. Yes, you could try the Defected Gaming. You could go crazy like, hey Dev, try 16 hours and then you'll see like which is like the best hours for your kind of community, your kind of audience. This is all hit and miss, dude. Sometimes it is luck even. I would say that this year I just got way more lucky than last year, dude. Sometimes it is luck. We want to like find like an answer to everything that happens in life, in social media, in the internet, but there's not always an answer to this, dude. Sometimes it is luck, and one has to just keep going until the luck hits. Yeah, the fact that Gaming says, yeah, for sure, bro, the stream is just a small part of everything, just like me, dude. So I'm not too concerned with the results yet. Judging by my analytics, I need to work on my thumbnails. It could be, dude. I could sit down with you one of these days, dude. I'm a graphic designer by profession. I'm not a game dev, dude. I'm not a programmer. I worked in graphic design, so I could sit with you, like we could make a template, so a better one that is more eye-catching, so it could help your numbers go up. We could talk about that, dude, one of these days. So you don't know if you could draw for 26 hours straight. Yeah, dude, that could be very hard. That is some haze dev shit. This guy is like a Terminator, so not everyone can go for 16 hours like haze. Polyphone says 2025 and stupid Windows File Explorer can display folder size. Yeah, File Pilot just with that feature alone kills it. Just with that one, dude. Just with that one and with all of the other ones, it fucking kills it. And this is the beta. You saw that shit, dude. You tried it, right? And now you're like, holy shit. This is like getting out of the Matrix, dude. Trying something like this that just works. Yes. HOM says, yo, Defected says, yo, HOM. Yo, what's up, says HOM. Defected says we need to do that then. I was working on it earlier, but had to go to work. Yeah, dude, we should sit down one of these days. So we can, yeah, dude, we can see how we can make your thumbnails better. Yeah, I would be really down to help you in that, dude. Yeah, for sure, dude, for sure. Let's do that through Discord. Polyphone says, been there. At university, I could spend days without sleeping. Yes, dude. We've all been there. All of us, bunch of crazy nerds, we've all been there. So, yeah, HazeDev is there. This guy has the energy to pull this shit. So, if you have the energy, dude, at this age, just do it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Don't abuse it, right? Don't abuse it, but enjoy it. Defected says, who am I kidding? I sat down for entire weekends drawing pictures. Okay, dude, so you could try for this longer live stream. Hey says, I think the roughest part of streaming with not a lot of viewers is you can't listen to real music because of copyright. Other than that, it's chill other than the alone part. Yes, dude. When you're alone, right, when you're not talking with other people, you really want to listen to your regular artists, like your regular music, right? But you cannot do that. That is... yeah, that is some food for thought, dude, for the live streaming shit. Okay, so where I'm gonna export this one? Do I have a folder for these ones? Okay, here. Yeah, we're gonna do it here. Yeah, in shrines. Fireplace 01. Yeah, dude, it is hard. Live streaming is hard. It has not been easy for me. Last year I tried it. I tried playing, I tried game development and shit. It is hit and miss, dude. And sometimes it is just luck. So you just gotta keep going. But we can work on your thumbnails, dude. We could definitely do that. The fact it says, I just talked about... what is this, dude? Jatville currently doing on stream. Otherwise, I'd have nothing to talk about. Yeah. What is Jatville, dude? HazeDev says, gotta do some complicated audio separating thing so people can hear the real music, only the non-copyright one. Yes, dude. I have seen that many people run that setting. But that's like a bit of a headache, right? Set that up so people can hear something and you hear another thing. And maybe you could get like into the vibe of what you're hearing, dude. Like you could be like in something more that is like more with energy, and the music on the live stream is more like chill, and people will be like, what the fuck is happening? So yeah, dude, it could be weird. It could be weird. Okay, let's go back into Unreal so we can place the fireplaces on the corners. Okay, so overworld, lines, props. Okay, this one's going to be fireplace. Okay, let me edit this. I'm getting back to chat in a bit, people. Give me just a sec. This is a good conversation. Defected says, if I put a pixel down, I just say why I'm putting it there. Yeah, dude. Oh, so you just talk about whatever currently doing on stream. Yes, you could do that, but also you could just talk shit, dude. Like I was just like watching this TV show and this episode, and I like this about this show, and I watched this movie. I also played this game, and I really like this thing about this game. So not necessarily one has to like narrate what you're doing. I do that. I sometimes do that, but not always. So you could mix things up there, like narrating what you're doing, also talking about some other topics. So when someone comes to the stream, they can hear you like talking about something, and they could ask like a question or anything. I'm not an expert in this. I'm just like seeing what has worked for me in some ways. So Polyfilm says, "Fuck you, Windows 11, not let me make yeah, File Pilot the default app." Yes, dude. Yes, everybody's like saying that on Twitter with File Pilot. They're like, dude, I want to make this shit like the default one. I cannot do it, and it's still not available for that, dude. That is too bad. Haystack says, "Fuck Microsoft for leaving Windows 10 behind." Yeah, dude. This is how it is. This company's doing stupid shit. Yeah, dude, we gotta like deal with it. Yes. Yeah, most of you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Which one are you using? I'm on 11, by the way, because this is like a 1-year-old computer, and it just had like the default Windows 11 one. So yeah, dude, it's too bad that we couldn't make like File Pilot like the default one. I would really like to see here File Pilot, dude. When I'm like on another software and going to File Explorer, I would really like to have that shit here. Okay, so runs fireplace. Okay, let's bring this shit here. 50, 400. Let's check out. Oh shit, no, 400 is too much. Yo, so Polyfilm says, "I forced install 11 on my unsupported laptop, but yeah, go to hell, assholes." Yeah, dude. What the fuck is up with all of these corporations doing this stupid ass shit, dude? Yeah, that is so shitty, dude. It is very, very shitty that we do not have like much control over our computers in many, many ways. Okay, so 250, dude. Does 250 work? I think 250 works. Maybe it's a bit too big, but I'm gonna fix it. Hesdev says, "I need an AI version of myself narrating what I'm doing on the screen." That is coming, dude. That is really coming in the future. Not like in the near future, but that is really fucking coming, dude. Yes, I can see that really happening in the next few years. Darknet One says, "I miss Windows XP." Shit. Calavera on Twitch, "Fuck Microsoft for leaving Windows XP behind." Yeah, dude, this is some nostalgia shit. Every one of us loved Windows XP. Yeah, dude, fuck you, Microsoft, for killing Windows XP. It's too sad, right? Windows XP had a very, very special place in all of our hearts. Yeah. Gardner One Laughing Hayes says, "Never heard of File Pilot." This is new, dude. This is some new shit. I was like telling Polyfilm that it is like so fucking quick, dude. It's like got so nice features. I'm sending it back on chat. There it is, File Pilot. Just download the free beta. It is in beta, but still in beta, it is better than File Explorer. Calavera says the search function in Windows, it's unusable. It is, dude. It's fucking unusable. Yeah, I'm using like File Pilot now for the files, like for this, like the File Explorer, and like to find stuff or open software, I'm using this one that works like in Mac. I can't even remember the name of this one. This one is Flow Launcher. So I press this shortcut, which is the same one like in Mac, and I can try to find like files here, right? Yeah, so both work there. It's a mix of both. So yeah, I'm using this one, Flow Launcher, to launch things. Like, yeah, check it out. Unreal Engine, I could do a search in Google right here from the desktop. Yeah, Unreal Engine documentation, and there it is. There it is on my browser. I'm seeing it on the other window. So yeah, dude, it's too bad that many of these things do not work as they should in fucking Windows. Shit, holy shit, Microsoft. It's crazy, right? Because the company has really gone in a good way in many things, but not in other things like Windows. Defected says, "I mean, you could program an avatar to pop it up if you hit a certain key or say a certain word." You could, dude. You could. By the way, HazeDev already has an avatar that moves the mouth and everything. HazeDev streams like that. HM says Windows XP was ass. Oh shit. That is a hot take. We're starting with the hot takes. Thunder One says, I remember the days of Windows 3.2. I do not remember those days, dude. I do not remember. Polyphene says, File Pilot sponsor stream. Dude, File Pilot is made by just one guy. Yeah, a solo dev. I do not think this guy has money to be live streaming random stupid people on Twitch like me. It's just that it is so much better than the Windows File Explorer, dude, that I'm so excited about it. Calavero says to Darkney One, I played Doom on Windows 3.1. Yeah, dude. I can remember Windows 3.1. The one that I have like on my memory, my earliest memories is 98, dude. Yeah, 98. HazeDev says oldest version I've ever experienced was Windows 7. Yes, you are way younger, dude. Way younger. Windows 7. Holy shit. Defected says, oh yes, Windows 3.1. Remember they had classes at the library to teach people how to use computers. Darner One says same, and Wolfenstein to Calavero. Oh shit. This is some old school first person shooter shit. Defected Gaming says Commander Keen, also from id Software. I didn't play Commander Keen, dude. I know about Commander Keen because I read the book of id Software, his story, but I didn't play it. Darner One says the days of when Wolfenstein editor map where knobs were added everywhere. Dude, all of you people should go and make maps for these old school games. I have told that to Calavero many times. You should make maps for these old school games. Yanamal says, hey everyone, how are you, my dude? How was your day? I saw you were watching yesterday's live stream, so thanks a lot for that, dude. Really appreciate it. How was your weekend? And how is your Monday going? Because it's already Monday in the Philippines. Okay, let's apply this one to this mesh. So Polyphone says, cool to see all these things. I love customization. I use radial menu to launch apps. Also use a numpad for shortcuts and macros for several auto hotkey scripts that open and close according to the program open. Yes, dude. I'm always trying to find like this kind of tools to optimizing shit, to make things quicker, like File Pilot, like this flow launcher. Yes, dude. That's really cool customization. Yeah. Defected says everyone was so excited when Windows 95 came out. Yeah, dude. I can remember that time. I was way too young. Like HazeDev. A youngling. Haze, yo. You don't even remember XP, dude? You didn't use Windows XP? That's really interesting, dude. Defected says hello, Yanimal. Calavero Nerdy, guess who installed Doom and Commander Keen on the first family computer? Yo, dude, people, check this out. Check out this story. Defected Gaming says Duke Nukem. I played Duke Nukems, dude, on Calaveros. Calaveros, it's my cousin. Calavero on Twitch, this is my cousin. And this guy had a Nintendo 64. I didn't have one, so I had to go to this guy's house to play games on consoles. And I remember Duke Nukem on Nintendo 64. Defected says, and then Duke Nukem 3D. Yes, that one. That's the one that I played. So Calavero says, guess who installed Doom and Commander Keen on the first family computer? It was my dad, people. My dad installed Doom. My dad is not a gamer, but he works with computers. He works with in IT. He studied computer science, but he's not a gamer. But he installed on the family computer, to Calavero's family's computer, Commander Keen and Doom. And that's how this guy got hooked up in games. And then I got hooked up on games because he was a gamer and his brother was a gamer. So my dad is guilty of all our game addictions in the family. Yes, it was my dad. HazeDev says might have used Windows XP at school or something. Yeah, dude. I imagine you might have used it, dude. Because people are still using Windows XP. I have seen like ATMs, dude. Like the ones where you go and get money from the bank, right? I have seen these things running Windows XP. It was such a good operating system. Yeah. So my dad, people, even though he's not a gamer, he's the one that is guilty of all this disease in the family of being addicted to games and making games and being nerds. So not a disease, dude. I'm just talking shit. But yeah, he's the one. He's the one. So Defected Gaming says original. Calavero says true story. Yes, this is a true story. This is a true story. Defected says, oh no, bro, I'm talking side scroll Duke Nukem. Oh, I played the 3D one, dude. Esham says Duke Nukem was crazy. It was a crazy game, dude. I really like that game. Very funny. Dark Day One says, damn, I remember that. Defected. Janimal says the stream is becoming a family affair. Yes, dude. Sometimes my sister comes. Now my cousin is coming, which is also a gamer. And yesterday, Bit, which went to sleep, was hitting on my sister and shit. So yes, dude, it is a family affair now. Polyphon says, I just want to be able to connect to the Matrix straight through my brain. Shitty thing if that it becomes real, the cyberspace will just be ads and spam, and I'll probably catch a Trojan and die. It could be, dude. You could be that dude, like first Colombian dead by a computer virus in the metaverse. You could be that guy on the news. Defected Gaming says, my stepdad, who is in his 70s and still plays games, got me into games. Yes, dude. Everyone has their own story of getting into games. I got into games because of Calavero and his brother. Not because of my dad, because my dad doesn't play games. But my dad got these guys hooked up into games. Jalamal says, Doom's music is playing in my head now. Yeah, that is some hardcore music, dude. That is really some hardcore music. Okay, let me find the fireplace and shed. Okay, this is the one that I'm looking for. Okay, let's see if this one works. If not, I'm gonna have to make it smaller, maybe. Okay, so this is what I was thinking, right? Yeah, in the corners. Okay, that is too fucking big. Yeah, I was mistaken about the size. Yeah, it looks cool, but too fucking big. Definitely too fucking big. Let's re-import this one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete this one. Defected Gaming says Mega Man. I played Mega Man, dude. Mega Man with emulators. HM says Duke Nukem 3D is one of the reasons I wanted to make games. Damn. Yeah, dude, that was a good game. I played it on Nintendo 64 from Calaveros. Nintendo 64. HOM laughing. What are you laughing at, dude? About Duke Nukem? Defected says Mega Man got me into wanting to make games. That and Dragon Warrior. I draw so many armors and swords for our imaginary Dragon Warrior game. That's really cool, dude. Everyone has a different story. Calavero says, no, bro, size look fine. It is too big, dude, I think. Yeah, for the spaceman and shit. I think that it is too big. Yeah, because I am getting like some references from other dungeons that I'm seeing on the internet. Yeah, I think it's too big. So let me show you like what was like the reference of this. It's Zelda Link's Awakening. So on the dungeons we've got this. Let me find like the image. For the whole thing, yeah, I definitely think it's too big. So it's something like this, dude, on the corners. So compare like to the character, yeah, the one that I have currently, it's too big. I just gotta make it like a bit smaller. It looks cool, but I think it's a bit too big. Let's check it out again. It shouldn't be like that much taller than the player. So let me try it again. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, definitely. Yeah, it looks cool, but I gotta make it a bit smaller. So let's try and re-import this one. Okay, getting back to chat. Model looks very good though. Thank you, dude. Thank you, really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm trying to do some different props for the dungeons, so I do not go repeating myself, like reusing the same shit for different places. I was already using this here, so I didn't want to use that one there still on the entrance. So I'm gonna populate like this entrance so it looks cool, it looks mysterious. That's what I'm gonna work on today and maybe tomorrow. Defected Gaming says, if only I had the internet and Godot when I was a kid. Yeah, dude, those times are where the hardcore programmers like John Carmack were built, right? No internet. It would have been really cool to have an internet, but at the same time, that's why these guys were like so fucking like hardcore and shit. Did you have any books, dude, to learn coding and shit? How did you like start making games? Or until the internet came, you started? Isham says it can be bigger than the character. It can be, dude. It can be, but I do not want it to be that big, especially because of the size of the room. The proportions of the size of the room, comparing it to the size of the thing there, it was too big for my taste. Esham says, dude, screw internet, just give me Godot. I'll learn with books. Yeah, that's how people learn in the older times, right? Janimal says, maybe Spaceman is too small. Nah, dude. Spaceman is the perfect fucking size. Polyphene says, I had clay and Legos and imagination. Calavero says, damn, that dungeon is huge. It is huge, dude. It is fucking huge. What have I gotten myself into doing this fucking video game, this Spaceman Memories shit? I constantly ask myself that shit, people. I'm not gonna lie. Every day I'm like, what did you get yourself into, dude? Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, I think 150. Let's try 150. Yeah. Yeah, just a bit bigger. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna make this one smaller. Should be able to put that inside. Okay, so that works. Let's try and put this one on the other corner. Yo, so Defected says, I didn't even have my own computer. We only had that one, and it was my stepdad's. Limited access. Oh, yeah. What about books, dude? Did you have any books? Polyphene says, are you measuring anything? Like what, dude? What are you referring here? About, like, which thing I'm measuring? Like the sides of the dungeon? Or the progress of the game dev? Could you elaborate a bit on your question? Defected says, we did end up going to a friend's house later in life, around 16. He had a BBS setup and we would do that. What is a BBS setup, dude? Tell me. Darkney one says, my dad, rest in peace, liked Armstrad. I've seen the Armstrad, dude. That is a really cool computer. It is British, right? It is like the classic British old school computer, right? He was in a club of Armstrad users. One of them was a serious game maker for that computer, then bragged how hard it was to play and complete at the place they were holding an event. My dad said to him, let me have a go and get a stopwatch. I was 10. You could see the game maker face getting mad because I beat his game within 30 minutes and the maker hasn't even reached the boss level yet. Dude, that is a really cool story, Darkney one. Yeah, dude, I've seen the Armstrad, dude. I saw a documentary about it. If I'm not mistaken, it's the British computer, right? Very cool looking, by the way. Defected says, nah, I don't even know programming was a thing because it never entered my radar until later. Bulletin board system. Oh, bulletin board system. That is BBS. Okay. So it entered your life later, right? Programming. Polyphene says, in the game, like, how big is the character according to everything else, so proportions are correct according to the world? Yeah, dude, no, I'm not measuring shit. I'm just like trusting my eye in many things. Yeah. And yeah, maybe my eye may be wrong sometimes, so maybe sometimes it doesn't look correct, but no, I'm not measuring anything, dude. Yeah, I know the units inside Unreal Engine and everything. I know how the units work and everything, but I'm not like being very specific about the proportions of things, because when you're doing stylized, it doesn't necessarily have to be proportionate everything. But no, dude, as answering to your question, there's no like a specific measuring of assets and sizing. I just wing it, the sizing with my eye. Maybe that wasn't like the answer that people were waiting for, but that is just how it is. The fact it says you'll have to look it up. It's basically the internet before the internet. Yeah, interesting, dude. Partner one says, yeah, the British one. Yeah, that is a cool computer, dude. It was made by this just one guy, right? That they made like Sir, like what's the game of the guy? Yeah, I'm gonna look it up here. Yeah, the Armstrad. So this is what we're talking about with Darknet one, the Armstrad computer. Yeah, this one, that CX Spectrum. That is the one that I've seen, dude. Yeah, that is the one that I've seen in like the internet and shit. That is like the famous one, right? Yeah, Lord Sugar. Yeah, that is the name of the guy. Armstrad creator. Yeah, Alan Sugar. Yeah, that's really cool, dude. That's really cool story from the Armstrad. Old times, dude. That was a long time ago. Yanamal says, when I first attempted to make games, the internet was around, but tutorials were not at the quantity and quality of today. I can imagine back in the 80s. Yeah, dude. Yes. And I think that having all of this content and all of these tutorials and shit has made us, in many ways, lazier, dude. And we can get into tutorial hell, all of us. So in the older times, people didn't have the internet, so they just had to focus, dude. Even though they had like lesser content and everything, they just had to fucking focus, dude. They didn't have like options and shit. So I would say that the internet, yes, it's better. We live in better times, but it fucks with our focus and our way of learning. We do not read books anymore. We do not watch long tutorials, long courses anymore. I'm just talking in general, right? As a society. So yeah, more content, better content, but it's like Netflix, dude. In the older times, we just turned on the TV and whichever fucking movie we found, that's the one that we were gonna watch. We didn't have options. And having options can be a burden. Yes. Partner one says, I think NASA was using it as well. The Armstrad. Yes, I think so, dude. Yeah, it was a very well used computer. Yanamal says, is the Armstrad the predecessor to the ARM chips we have in iPhones? No, it's something different. It's something different. But ARM is also British. Yes. HM says, pew pew pew, this dungeon should have something firing. I have things firing, dude. Yeah, I do not want to spoil the other dungeons. That's why I haven't showed them on the live streams, because I would just be spoiling the whole game. But the dungeons will have things shooting. Yeah, like fire and things like hitting you. Yes, we're gonna have those traps in the dungeons, HOM. Yeah, I have implemented that, but not in this one. This is like my live stream dungeon, the one that I'm showing for the live streams, because I do not want to spoil it, dude. The whole game. Okay, so that's too much. So this light is like the light like of the entrance, right? Yeah, that is like the light of the entrance. I'm gonna fix that later for like the camera and shit, but I'm like just like trying to get the vibe of this. Yeah, this is looking cool. This is looking cool. The entrance to the dungeon is looking cool. Let's see what else can we add to these walls. I like the fireplace yet. So let me think about maybe the walls. Yeah, I'm thinking about the walls. What else can we add? So Polyfilm says, I didn't mean for aesthetics, but for practical purposes. I've seen it's good. So we're talking about the measuring, right? Like the scale of things. Okay, I'm gonna read your comment. So you didn't mean for aesthetics, but for practical purposes. I've seen it's good practice to measure and have a reference so everything you build uses those parameters. It reduces future glitches and bugs and problems if all the assets are placed and created according to those measurements. But I get ya. Oh, no, Polyfilm. Yes. I am doing that, dude. Yes, yes. That I know. That I know. I know what are my proportions and my scaling, and I know the size that I have to import things from Blockbench and from Crocotile, so it is already set up correctly in the world, and I am like minimizing scaling things up and down. I understand what you're saying now. Yes, I have like that very, very clear. So that's why I always go like on this one, dude. This window, I'm always like changing the scale on the import to have like the exact scale most of the time of the asset inside the world, so it works with the proportion that I already have. So I have that set up. Yes, I'm not like bringing things in different scales, so because that could fuck things up. That you are right. Eshom says, I just played games when I was young. I'm 30 now. I started to make games at 27, so 3 years ago, dude. Yeah, I'm 31, dude. I'm 31, so we are closer. I started to make games. Dude, the thing is that I've tried like Unity and shit. I tried like Unity in 2015, dude. It wasn't that I was like making games and finishing them, but I would say like being serious about it and finishing a game around, yeah, dude, around 28. Around 28, like the same as you. So something like that. Polyfilm says spring chicken. What the fuck is spring chicken, dude? What is happening? Calavera says, so scaling is problematic. I wouldn't say it's problematic, dude, but it is much better. Just I haven't encountered any glitch about scaling things. Maybe in an extreme way it could be problematic, but in a practical way of working, it's better to have things set up with the right scaling for your character and everything, so it's easier to like place things around. It would be like very problematic, right, and time consuming to be scaling things up with different scales and shit. So I haven't encountered any glitch in gameplay by scaling things, but who knows. HM says, add maybe some change in a broken painting. Yes, dude, let's do that. Polyfin says to Calavero, yeah, if you don't measure, you could be making levels that the character can fit in or get stuck to, among million other things. Oh yeah, Polyfilm, that's interesting. That's a good way of seeing things. Calavero says, I tried to make Archviz in Unity. I remember finishing a house as a demo. Yes, dude. Calavero is the one that got me into like these game engines, like knowing what game engines were. I didn't finish a game in Unity like in 2015 or 2016. I just knew what it was and I just installed it and tinker with it. But yeah, like for serious like sitting down and making a game, yeah, around 28 also. Polyfin says, awesome, nerdy, good practice. It is a good practice to keep the same sizing and everything. It is. Calavera says, I did that before all the real-time Archviz movement started. Yes, this guy was really into making these architectural visualizations before all of this wave came. I remember this shit a long time ago. HM says, bad scale makes a lot of bugs. Yeah, dude. So yeah, I try to keep a consistent scale with my assets. That's what I'm always tinkering with it in the import or the export from Crocotile. So Blockbench doesn't let you like change the scale, but I'm always tinkering with that. HM says, Polyfin says spring chicken, young person. Oh, who's a spring chicken, dude? Am I a spring chicken, dude? Or HOM is a spring chicken. Yanimal says grasshopper. Oh shit, yeah, now we're getting philosophical, right, with the young people and shit. Do you consider me a spring chicken, Polyfin? I do not think I am, dude. I do not think I am. I am feeling old now. Yanimal, how old are you, dude? How old are you? If you can say, if you feel comfortable. If you do not feel comfortable, don't say it. I'm not pressuring anyone to say their age. I can say it. I'm 31. Okay, so I'm seeing some dark spots here, so let me rotate this. Yeah, it's too dark here, and I'm getting the light from the directional light for this part. Okay, much better. Okay, so we've got the cool looking entrance. Let me reduce this light. This is too fucking much. Yeah, what the fuck. Yeah, I just want us to be able to see like the light off the outside to show that this is like the entrance. I'm gonna fix it later, how it works with the camera and everything, but at least this is looking like the entrance of a dungeon, right? It really is looking like it. So let's keep going. What else can I add here? We've got the elevator with press it and chat. Okay, let me try something here with the elevator, because it'd be cool to make it glow, I think, in a way. Yeah, let me think about this. Let me go back into Blockbench. Let me open up that file. Okay, so this is the file. So Polyfilm says, if you understand Spanish, Baxajun in YouTube, level designer for Blasphemous 1 and 2, have a long and deep conference about level design and all it went to creating those levels. He talks about measurements being key. I will check that out, dude. I will check that out. Let me save that into a note in Obsidian. Yeah, interesting shit, dude. Yeah, haven't seen that one, dude. Thanks a lot for sharing that one. So chat says H1, so both. So both what, dude? Are we both old and young? That's what you're saying? Polyfilm says spring chicken to all the spring chickens out there. I would say that the only young one, dude, because I do not feel young anymore, like a kid with the good spirit and shit, like Hayes. Hayes is young. Hayes would be like young, yeah, but very fucking smart at the same time. Calavera says, I put my university projects inside CryEngine. Yo, people, do you remember CryEngine? Calavera's mentioned in CryEngine. CryEngine could have been bigger than Unreal, way ahead of its time. It was, dude. It could have been bigger than Unreal. CryEngine was like the shit when it came out. Yalamal says, I am turning 50 this year. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, you have such a spirit. And I don't mean this in a bad way. I mean this in a good way. I'm not saying that old people do not have like a good spirit. And I'm not even young. I'm 31 now. So, Yalamal, I thought about you when I met you, dude. Because of the spirit you have of working, dude, and learning shit and posting shit. I was like, this guy has good energy. Working and posting shit. Grinding. It's really cool, dude, that you are turning 50 and you still have this energy. Holy shit, dude. That's really, really cool. H1 says Spring Chicken can be a good 2D platformer mobile game. It could be, dude. There it is. Hazedev. Hazedev, the young one. Yeah, what's up, Hazedev? We're talking about age, dude. Most of us are old now, Haze. We are not at your beautiful age, 19. Like, the good energies in life. I'm getting deep now. I'm changing my voice to get nostalgic. Polyfilm says, also Spring Chicken. Who did you tag in that one, dude? So this, you're tagging someone from other side, right? I can just see that you tagged this Restream bot. So who is also the Spring Chicken? Janimal says, I played the F-22 Raptor game on one of those green monitors. Yeah, dude. Janimal, you're talking about their orange screen PC monitors. Shit, dude. What the fuck is the F-22 Raptor game? I didn't play that one. Haystef says, for some reason, I've always made friends with older people, never my age. It's not for some reason, dude. It's because you are mature in many ways, dude. And I told you this yesterday, and I wasn't like talking shit, dude. I wasn't doing the same shit that you're doing with Unreal Engine at 19 or any engine, dude. So that's why you get along with older people. Because most people your age, dude, aren't into like sitting down to grind and build things. It's another vibe, dude, and it's not bad. Everybody goes through different ages, but that is why, dude, you connect with older people, because older people start with this kind of things, dude. We go into engines and learning programming and shit and everything. And when I was 19, dude, I definitely wasn't into this shit, and I wouldn't have the resilience, like the discipline and shit, to do all of this. So maybe that's why you get along with older people, because you are doing things that people end up doing when they are older. Yeah, not your age. So that's really cool, dude. You could be like a fucking master at 30, dude. Polyphil says, sent you the link on Discord to the Backstage talk so you can check it later. Awesome, dude. Thanks a lot for sharing it. So anyone that wants to join the NerdyPunkDev Discord server, you're watching, I'm gonna send it right now in chat. People are sharing resources, sharing their work. I'm sharing my stupid work. So yeah. Oh, Polyphim, you send it through message, right? Through DM. But I'm gonna post it, dude, on the resources channel, by the way. So in chat, there it is. This is the NerdyPunkDev server. Okay, written comments. Janimal says, I love keeping up with tech and it's more fun now than ever. It is, dude. It is, dude. And many 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds do not like to keep up with tech. So it's really cool, dude, that you have that spirit, because you're gonna have a lot of fucking fun, dude, with all of these engines and the tools and the internet. Hey, stop laughing. Polyphil says, I played the turtle logo in school in Macintosh, freaking big ass floppies. Yeah, dude, I didn't use a Macintosh. I haven't used a Macintosh in all of my life. I know what the Macintosh is, but I haven't used it. Yeah, the computers that I used when I was young were compact. Those were the ones that I had in like the computer lab of school. Compact. Remember that shit? That's it. I don't think compact exists anymore, right? Yeah, it was a good computer in those times. Hezef says, being a master at 30 would be dope. Just keep going, dude. You are on the right way to become one at 30. It would be really dope, dude. But just keep doing what you're doing. Okay, so... yeah, I don't even need to do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and go to this one. I'm gonna duplicate this one. This one's going to be dungeon lobby elevator. Oh no, not that one. Okay, let me delete this one. You're gonna see what I'm trying to do. You're gonna see in a bit. I'm gonna duplicate this one. This one's going to be button 1. Globe. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. Also, Polyphil says my first lappy was a compact. Yeah, dude, compact was good. Then it got bought by fucking HP, right? That fucking sucks. What the fuck happened to HP, dude? Hewlett Packard. And yeah, then it became like very shitty computers. I do not even know if they exist anymore, but compact was the shit, and then they just went downwards. Yeah, dude, that happens to many companies. Compact was the shit at the end of the 90s and beginning of the 2000s. Hezdev says, I pretty much took over my mom's Asus laptop, started going crazy with the internet and Minecraft modding. Oh, you work on Minecraft modding? How was that, dude? And you say also all this shit into game dev. Yes, dude, makes sense. Checks out the journey. Yeah, going into the internet, Minecraft modding, then Unreal Engine, it really checks out. How was the Minecraft modding, by the way, dude? It was an Asus laptop. Yeah, I've been using Asus laptops for a long while now. This one is an Asus laptop, and I've been using previously Asus ones. These are good laptops. Yanimal says, I never used Mac until 2005 when I bought one. Yeah, dude, the first time that I used a Mac, dude, was around 2016, I would say. Yeah, it was in the place that I was working on. I didn't even know how it fucking worked. I felt like out of my depth, out of my comfort zone when I started with it. It's so different if you've been using Windows all of your life. So yeah, I wasn't young when I started using Mac. Not at all. Polyfilm says, remember those ink ribbon PC printers that screeched like hell whenever it printed? I don't remember those ones, dude. I know which are those, but I don't remember using them. Gentleman says, now I'm considering a gaming PC for Unreal. Maybe later this year. You should go for that, dude. Yeah. And if you like don't move a lot, go with a desktop one. I would go for a desktop one if I didn't move a lot. If you're like moving, get a gaming laptop. Polyfilm says, not gonna lie, I miss those. You miss those screeching PC printers, dude? Shit. Hesda says, I didn't master the modding stuff like I did with Unreal. It was testing grounds for me and stuff. Makes sense, dude. It makes sense. It is different, right? Minecraft modding and shed, it is different. You can make good shed with Minecraft. Yellow says, my first attempt at gaming and making art was Amiga 500. I know the Amigas, dude. I didn't use any Amiga, but I know them. They look cool. They had like cool graphics and shit. Yeah, it's too bad that I haven't used one in all of my life. Okay, I'm gonna change the material of this one. This one's going to be glow. Yeah, let's see if this works. Gonna create a new material. This one's gonna be yeah, matte. Okay, get into chat in a bit, people. Let me just set this up. I want this to glow when I get on top of it, right? Yeah, but just until I get on top of it, not like glowing before. So I press it, fucking glows, blah blah blah. Okay, it isn't working right now because it's not part of the blueprint. That happened yesterday. We were laughing about that yesterday. Okay, so let's set that up here. Okay. What about the music? Where are you, music? Okay, so Yanimal says, my first attempt at gaming. Yeah, the demo scene back then feels alive now with indie game devs on social media. Yeah, dude. Yeah, every time has their own different communities. That happens. Polyfilm says, I did some art with those printers. I love all print methods. Risopraps, man. Yo, what is Risopraps? Let me check that out. Shit, we're getting to the good shit of the day, of the conversation. Let me check that out. Risopraps. Risograph. Is it risograph? Yeah, it was a typo. Yeah, risograph. It is, right? Yeah, risograph. Graph. Printing. Oh, yeah, this shit. Yeah, dude. I've seen your art on Instagram and it checks out with your visual style and what you're into. Yeah, dude, this looks really, really cool. Okay, so that's risograph. Okay, didn't know about that one, dude. That's really, really cool. Janamal says, I miss internet cafes. I was thinking about that shit like 2 days ago, dude. Those were very interesting times. Do any of you, all of you people, go to internet cafes? I went a lot. HM says, so I made the chess game, but I realized I don't know how to play chess, so now I have to learn to make it work. I'm drowning, dude. This changes the whole conversation about the chess game, because the other day I was like really excited about that idea, and now I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? I don't know how to play chess, dude, so I wouldn't go and try to make a chess game. So what is up with that, dude? yeah, dude, so you definitely should yeah, learn to play chess before. going and trying to shit, dude. Holy shit, dude. What is happening, dude? What is happening? Why did you go and try to make a chess game if you didn't know how to play chess? Janimal says, well, internet cafes in Amsterdam where you can smoke. Oh, different ones. Yeah, way different than the ones that I went to, Janimal. Hey, Steph says, Dark Day 1, nice. Also was into the server stuff, helping people set them up and build them. Minecraft was such a cool time, a lot of good memories. Yeah, dude. Minecraft is such a cool... It is such a cool time. There were different times, right, in which I think it was like different. It's more like mainstream now, but yeah, Minecraft has given very good memories to everyone. Jalamal laughing, yeah, different internet cafes than the ones that I went to. Were they good, Jalamal? Did you get like space cakes? Is that the name? In Spanish, it is that. Pastel espacial. What is the name in English? Polyphone says risograph printer. Yeah. I'm still getting used to this keyboard and you know my hands. Yes, I know it, dude. Don't worry about it. Dude, which keyboard did you get? Polyphone says, of course, nerdy. Internet cafes were awesome. Many hours chatting on MSN Messenger, Yahoo, chat rooms and chat. Remember all of those times? Yeah, MSN Messenger, dude. Yahoo chat, places. Yeah, shit, dude. Yeah. HM says for your first-person shooter. Yeah, dude. Yes, dude. Just stick with the first-person shooter, dude. Don't go into chess if you do not know how chess works. I wouldn't go into chess, dude. Holy shit. Oh, shit, dude. I was like very excited about the chess idea, dude. But I'm now like, dude, don't go into that shit. It's just gonna eat more time from the first-person shooter. Okay, let's go here. I'm gonna close this one and I'm gonna assign this one matte transparent. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Okay, getting back to chatting a bit. The conversation is good. Polyphone says, I have never ever played Minecraft. My thing was Terraria. Yes, those Terraria is really cool. I didn't get the hang of Terraria. Yeah, I know it's a fucking good game, dude. But I think that what I like about Minecraft was the first person, right? Even though the mechanics of both, even though they're very different games, they have like close mechanics, right? But I didn't get the hang of using the mouse for many things. I really like more things on the keyboard and shit, so that maybe because I didn't go that much into Terraria. But that is a really cool game also, dude. Did you also play Starbound, Polyphim? HM says internet cafe was my spot to download music and crack games. It's all good, I just need the basics, says HOM. Okay, dude. Okay, I hope you figure it out. Yeah, dude. Everybody went to download music. Remember LimeWire? Remember those times? Yeah, LimeWire and chat. Polyphim say, yeah, it's kind of 2D Minecraft. It's kind of 2D Minecraft, dude. Yeah, it's different. But at the same time, they're alike. Janimal says space cake were banned at some point. To marry tourists not knowing what they were eating. Also, it is space cake. That is the name, right? Shit, dude. Holy shit, Janimal. That is so funny, dude. Like the tourists not knowing what the fuck they were getting into, dude. Oh shit. But they are back now, dude? Are they back? Okay, I'm gonna make this one a bit bigger. Okay, so check it out. This is gonna look cool. This is gonna look cool. So this one, let's get a reference to this one. Set material. Yeah, so we're gonna make this one glow green. Yeah, I think green it is. Yeah. So when we press it, we're gonna make that shit glow. Yeah, I think it's here. Let's check it out. Yeah, berries. Okay, what the fuck? Did I delete the other one, dude? Oh yeah, I didn't delete this one. Okay, can I select it? What the fuck are you, dude? Okay, there it is. So let's try it again. Okay. Yeah, it's working, but it should go down also. Yo, chat is fucking lit today. Polyphony says Starbound was great too. Yes, dude. I played Starbound, and I played the soundtrack of Starbound. I played that shit on repeat. I love that soundtrack, dude. That is a really cool soundtrack. Francisco Velasquez says the story behind the development of Terraria is so cool. I haven't seen that. Is there like a documentary, dude? Is there a documentary about this one? Yellowmel says, but even in Bogota, I still went to internet cafes just to meet up with fellow nerds. Yes, dude. That's where you would meet fellow nerds, in internet cafes. I went to those. Defected Gaming says, yo. BNK says, yo, how are you, BNK? Really happy that you're back. How has your day been going? Have you worked on your stuff? We're just talking, dude, about everything. We're talking about old computers, internet cafes, old times in game development. Yeah, dude, the conversation is really good. How are you, VNK? Defected Gaming says, sorry, was working on that thumbnail posted on Discord. Okay, let's check that shit out, dude. Defected Gaming, oh shit, dude. Dude, so this is Defected Gaming, new thumbnail. Dude, did you make all of these ones? I know you made this one. I saw this one the other day. But did you also make these ones in Aseprite? Dude, those look cool. Those look cool. Yeah, dude, this one's much better than the previous ones that you have used. Thanks a lot for sharing it, dude. That's really, really cool. So Polyphony says, many viruses I let through to our family PC via LimeWire and emulate. Yes, dude. Dude, this is some crazy shit, dude. So that computer we had at my house was like the work computer of my dad. It was a IBM ThinkPad. So this was the computer we used, and also the computer that my dad worked on, right? And I used LimeWire and that shit. And my dad works in IT, dude. And yes, one time I really downloaded a bad virus in that computer. Really bad virus because of downloading music through LimeWire. My dad wanted to kill me, dude. Yalamal says, well, I haven't lived in my country for 20 years and I'm not into that anymore. So yeah, dude, different times, different vibe, right? In different internet cafes. Polyphony says, you live in Colombia. Did you live in Colombia, Yalamal, or did you just only go to Colombia? PNK says, I'm good. Been working on college all day and now it's time to dev. Let's fucking go, dude. It is time to dev. What are you gonna work on today? Defected says, I made those drawings in Aseprite. Yes, dude. Those are good, dude. Keep going with that shit. That looks cool. That higher resolution pixel art. Keep going. Which tablet are you using, by the way, Defected Gaming? Dardy1 says, we're in their Berkshire as well. I didn't use Berkshire, dude. I used LimeWire. And also Ares. Do you remember Ares? It would be Ares maybe, or Ares in English. Yeah, I use those ones too. Polyphony says, yeah, music, sure, dude. It was music. It was music. It wasn't porn, dude. I promise it was music. I thought that I was downloading music, but the virus, Polyphony, the virus opened, like auto opened websites, porn websites on the fucking Internet Explorer. That was a really bad virus, dude. I can remember that shit clearly. Yes, my dad wanted to kill me, dude. VN cases were working on the cameras. Added a feature that tracks the player. Dude, I'm looking forward to what you're cooking. I'm really looking forward to what you're cooking. And one of these days, I would like to see it. Polyphil says, I think Azurius was the one with the blue frog logo. I didn't use that one, dude. I really didn't use that one. I used LimeWire and Ares. Both those to download music or music videos. Defected Gaming says you haven't welcomed into us, but I drum. Dude, holy shit. People, so this is Defected Gaming. Okay, this is Dark Day 1. This is Dark Day 1 posting on the Discord. The Discord server is lit. This is Unreal Engine Dark Day 1's game. Awesome shit, dude. Thanks a lot for sharing. That's really, really cool. Thank you, Dark Day 1. And this is Defected Gaming, which I really thought that all of this shit that I see here was made with a tablet, dude. Like, how the fuck do you do this with a mouse, dude? Holy shit. Dude, I can't believe you use a mouse for this. I cannot believe that. Yeah. That really blows my mind, dude. Yeah, that you use a mouse for that kind of pixel art. I could use a mouse for less detailed pixel art, but not for that one. Holy shit, dude. Okay, let's try that shit glowing again. Okay, it's glowing. Yeah, it works. But it should be inside this one, I think. I'm gonna put it inside that one, maybe. Yeah, let's try that one to see if it works. Yes, check it out. Fuck yeah. This is what I was looking for. Yeah. So now we press the button and it fucking glows, right? Yeah. Cool. Cool shit. Okay, let me try and do this one. Let's do it again. Okay, I'm seeing right there the elevator moving a bit, and it shouldn't move like that. So let me check what's happening there. Okay, reading comments now. Polyphim says, yeah, I fucked my PC many times. I did that one time, dude. That one time I fucked my dad's PC. He was very mad, dude. Shit. Dark Day 1 says, just finish a basic wins for my character, just so I can set a few things up. So that's what you posted on the Discord. Awesome, dude. So Polyphim Yanamal says that he lived in Chapinero, Bogota for 6 months, then went back for another 6 months to see more of the country in 2013. The Affected Gaming says practice. That's how you do the pixel art, right? With the mouse. Shit, dude. Polyphim says, I cordially invite you to visit us again in 2032. No, dude. Nobody's going to Colombia, Venezuela, and Panama in 2032. Fuck that shit. You are on your own, people. Yanimal says, I made so many international friends when living in London. Oh, you also lived in London. Defected says, when I choose the picture, I choose one I would have a hard time with, and preferably with the texture haven't done yet. Dude, how much time does it take you to make one of those images? Dude, like the one from Halo or the other one. Yeah, the one from the meme. How much time does it take you, dude? That is crazy, dude. That is really some crazy shit you're pulling there with the mouse, dude. Okay, so let me just check this one. Yo, what the fuck did I do? Oh yeah, dude, I'm gonna close this one. I thought that Unreal Engine had crashed on me. I'm gonna save before that shit happens. I got like a mini heart attack there. But no, it didn't crash. Yeah, let me put all of this back here. Shit, dude. I fucked up the whole layout and shit. Come on, dude. Oh my god, shit. Nah. I'm gonna close this shit. I'm gonna open it again. Yo, so Janimal, the OG virus was literally Suit Larry cracked versions. First you finish the game, then it wiped your hard drive. What the fuck is that, dude? I do not know what the fuck is that, and it sounds scary. People were getting fired from their jobs because of this game. Shit, dude. Shit. Polyphene says cool pixel art defected. Yeah, dude. Really blows my mind, dude, that you're working with a mouse for this. Holy shit, dude. Yo, where is the viewport now? Window, viewport. Okay, so viewport. Okay, we are back. We are back. Okay, so I'm seeing that it moves a bit. So minus 118, and this one. Yes, that's what got changed. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, there it is. Do not even know when did I change that number, but it was like moving the elevator a bit. Now it's fixed. Fuck yeah, there it is. Okay, so the elevator is looking cool. Let's keep this shit going. What else can we add to this? I'm thinking about something around here, right? Yeah, for this like division that we're seeing there. Don't like that. So let's add something with Blockbench. Okay, let's create a new project, new generic model. Don't even know how this one's gonna be named. So Defected Gaming says it takes me about an hour and a half to 2 hours sometimes, depending on, dude, 2 hours. That is such a short amount of time for that shit with a mouse. You're like this, dude. I can just imagine like your hand moving like this. Yeah, so Polyphene says, HM says, I want to finish to make my next game already. Me too, dude. I want to finish this game. So do not get into another game. Finish the one that you're working on. Don't do another one, dude. That is like the best way of not finishing your game. Polyphene says, Leisurely Suit Larry was an old school loot game. Pretty silly, really. Yeah, dude, I didn't know about this cracked version that wiped hard drives. Gentleman says, love the elevator. Thank you, my dude. Really appreciate it. It's getting better, a bit by bit. Defected says, thanks, Paulie. Yanimal, to Defected, will you post the pixel art on your YouTube channel? He's always posting. Yeah, it's already there, Jan. It's already there. VNK says, you know how close you are to finishing this game? I am aiming for a September launch, VNK. Yeah, gotta set many things up, and even though if I had it ready before, I wouldn't launch it until September because of marketing reasons. So I am aiming for a September launch for Spaceman Memories. I think that I will have it finished before, but even though I wouldn't launch it before. So Polyphene says, thought mouse was better for pixel art. It is, dude. It is better for like this Spaceman. That's better, dude. But for like this shit, let me check that out again. Like for this shit, dude, that is like a lot of fucking pixels. It's more like traditional art. Yes, dude. I would say that Defected Gaming is a cracked mouse user. Yeah, dude. I wouldn't do this shit with a mouse. I would go with a graphics tablet. And even though, dude, even for the lower resolution pixel art, I use a tablet. I really respect people that do good pixel art with a mouse because it is so fucking hard, dude. Yeah, BNK says, can't wait, man. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate it. Defected says, not really. I just know how to use the app. Hotkeys and big shapes that I make smaller as I go through the picture. Okay, dude. So keep going. Your workflow works. HM says, sounds like a reasonable timeline. Yeah, dude. I think that it is a reasonable timeline. I know that I can manage it. I know that I can finish it for that time with the scope that I'm thinking for the story and the mechanics. And yeah, I'm hoping that I have it finished before, dude. I do not want to be like 1 week before launch polishing shit and fixing big mechanics and shit. Maybe smaller bugs, that makes sense, but I'm hoping that I can have it ready before. And also because I want to have like a really good demo for the Steam Next Fest in June. Yeah, Polyfilm says some people still use the trackpad for pixel art, dude. Yeah, fuck that, dude. Fuck trackpads for pixel art. The fact that says I appreciate the compliments. There are people way better than me. There are people way better than each and every one of us, dude. That doesn't take away the effort, the crazy kind of shit that you're doing with a mouse, with pixel art. VNK says, when did you start development for this one? Okay, dude. So that's an interesting question. Many people will know the answer to this question because I have answered it before, but I'm gonna answer it again because you asked. So this game was a 2D game before, dude, in Unity. It was a 2D game in Unity. I brought it into Unreal Engine like around September, October of 2024, dude. No, 2023. Yes, 2023. So I started development of the game as a project around 2022 when it was a Unity game. But this version that you're seeing, the 2.5D one, at the end of 2023. That's when I started. I started learning the engine. I didn't know shit about this engine. I had to learn it. So yeah, around there, dude. Around September, October of 2023 up until now. Yanumel says September. I hope to be in Japan. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, that would be really cool if you play the game in Japan and you sent me like some photo of the gameplay and in a cool place in Japan. Yeah, dude. Polyfilm says, I'm trying to type without looking the keyboard. It's impossible. Oh, Polyfilm, you look at the keyboard when you're typing. Yeah, that's interesting, dude. Yanamal says, I have a small Wacom tablet these days. Those are good, dude. I use a Huyong now because the Chinese ones are really fucking good and they have a better pricing than Wacom. Wacom is really expensive. HM says Yun is going to be crazy. I might be finished by then too. Yun is gonna be crazy, dude. It is really gonna be crazy. Yanamal says Spaceman Memories go back 3 years. The start of it could be, dude, like 3 years. It's not like I worked the whole year of 2022. I didn't work the whole year, dude, of 2022. I was like dealing with other shit, dude. Had like a previous project, like a startup, was like recovering from that project because that was a very tiring project, and also the crashing down of the startup. Yeah, so I didn't work the whole year of 2022. I started it on 2022, but I didn't work the whole year. In 2023 was when I started working more on it in Unity, and then I went to Unreal at the end of 2023. Yes, Yanimal, a gameplay with Mount Fuji in the background would be really, really cool, dude. Yeah, dude. The fact it says I type upwards 80 to 100 words per minute when I get going good at 99% accuracy. Typing without looking is necessary. Yes, dude, but also Polyfilm has a condition, dude. Polyfilm has condition in which you has to be looking at the keyboard, right? Polyfilm. That's why Polyfilm was mentioning this. Yanamal says travel goals. Those are the travel goals, dude. I would really like to go to Japan, dude. I hope that I can get like some money from this game so I'm able to make a trip to Japan, dude. It's not cheap at all for me where I live, but it would be like the fucking dream. Okay, let's keep going here. I was talking about doing something around here, right? Yeah, to connect this. It should be like something very, very simple. Okay, let me try and create a bevel cuboid. Yes, so HM says, Paul, it's not impossible. It's just muscle memory. No, but I had to give a bit of context there about this. Polyfilm has condition on the hands, so it is different. This is different. Polyphone says, why do you say that as if a surprise? Isn't that normal? You don't look at the keyboard? No, dude, I do not look at the keyboard. Are you trolling me, dude? Dude, do not put me in a weird position in today's live stream, dude. Holy shit. No, you're trolling me. This is Polyphone trolling. I know this guy. You are trolling, dude. Shit. Animal says, Polyphone, I'm with you. I type using 2 fingers only. Oh shit. Like the movies, dude. Like the hackers in the movies, like this. Oh shit, Janimal. BNK says, I never look down on my keyboard. I look down from time to time. HM says, Poly, I learned it typing over words. Yeah, I can't even remember when I learned how to type, but I sometimes look at the keyboard, sometimes. BNK says, unless I'm trying to hit like, yeah, blah, 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 those kind of weird ass symbols. Janimal says, it's why we want to go to Japan now, while we still live nearby, going to Korea in December. Oh, are you gonna move back to Europe, Janimal? When you say nearby, are you like going back to Europe? Polyphone says, it's fine, I'm not taking personally, it's all fun. Okay, I honestly thought looking at the keyboard even from time to time was normal. I would say that it is normal for me, dude, to look to it from time to time. But I know people like these people in chat. Yeah, I know people that do not look at the keyboard at all, dude, at all. So yeah, it's different for different types of people, dude. It is different. Oh shit. What the fuck did I do? Ah, I thought this was gonna do something different. Let me try this. Oh yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay, I'm gonna make this very, very simple. Nothing fancy. I just need something for this like division here. And it should be like something alike, like this wood that we have here. Yeah, Polyphone says, you're right, my condition makes it that I type many unintended letters or miss them completely. Yeah, dude, must be difficult. But you get used to it, right, Polyphone? Like typing. So you've been using computers for a long fucking time because of all that you've told me. How was it when you were learning, dude, when you were growing up? With the condition and typing on a computer. Janimal says there's the plan to go back to Spain. Back to Spain, dude? When did you live in Spain? Or did your wife live in Spain? Polyphone says not always, but I do too. Oh, 2 fingers. Yo, Janimal says the Philippines is amazing, but life is not exactly cheaper in the big city, but that's where the jobs are for good paycheck. Yeah, HOM says fuck, Unreal Engine crashed. Dude, I saved. You should have saved when I saved. Did you lose your progress, dude? Holy shit, dude. Did you lose a lot of progress, HOM, or not? Oh my god, dude. Okay, so this one's going to be what column? Nah, it's not a column. What the fuck is this word? Yeah, I'm just gonna name it wood. Yeah, wood column. Let's just say wood column 01, just for the sake of this. And I'm gonna paint it very, very quickly. I just need like, yeah, something like this. Default. Okay, element. Okay, let me check it out. Yeah, this one works. Really works. Let me create a new layer. Enable layers. This one's going to be a new layer. Yo, Haystef says pillar. Yo, yeah. Yes, beam. Beam. That is the right fucking word, Haze. Thank you, my friend. I love you, dude. Yes, the beam. The fucking beam, dude. I didn't remember that word. We're gonna rename it just in your honor, dude. I'm gonna rename it again. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and create a new texture. Yes, the beam, the fucking beam. Holy shit, dude. That is my shitty English at work. I forget the words. So this one's going to be wood beam. Oh, oh shit! I deleted the mesh. Fucking stupid. Yeah. So create texture. This one's going to be wood beam 01. Okay, awesome. So thank you, HazeDev. Really appreciate it, dude. Jalamal says first lesson in Unreal Engine: compile and save. Second lesson: save all. Third lesson: back up your project. Yeah, dude. HOM knows all of this, dude. It's just that HOM likes to play with fire, but he knows all of this. It shows no progress made, no progress to lose. I'm learning Blockbench. Janimal, yes, always save, save, save. Yes, dude. HOM knows all of these rules, Janimal. But yeah, it always happens to HOM. It's always crashing for HOM, dude. Yes, HazeDev sending the cool emojis. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I was like, yeah, what the fuck is the word, dude? This is gonna be very, very simple, people. I'm just gonna like paint some random shit here and there. Let's enable layers. Create an empty layer here. And yeah, maybe another tone of brown. Yeah, I'm thinking, or let me check it out. No, that's the one. That really is the one. Okay, so this one works. Okay, I'm just gonna paint random shit so I can do like the blending mode. Okay, this one multiply. Yeah, maybe let's try deleting shit now. Yeah, very, very simple, nothing fancy. Yeah, I'm just gonna export this shit now. It can be a placeholder. I can like do something better later. I just want to like cover that division that I'm seeing there on the material. So strands, dude, I can't believe I'm gonna make a folder just for this stupid ass mesh. Wood beam 01, and this one's going to be wood beam 01. Let's go back here. Yo, so HM says, bro, I'm always playing with fire. You are, dude. This guy is constantly playing with fire in Unreal Engine, not saving and shit. Yes, dude. Stop doing that. Yanamal says, are you posting about it on YouTube as well? I don't think so, right, HOM? Polyphone says, oh, also my condition is why I use a numpad for shortcuts and macros. Easier to press just one key than three. It makes sense, dude. That really makes sense, Polyphone, that because of that condition. Do you have like this cool looking numpads, dude, next to the keyboard, like very high tech? Which one do you use? HOM says, no, Yanimal, I'm just working alone. Yeah. So Yanimal says, I bought a programmable keypad from China for shortcuts I use for my job. Those are good, dude. Polyphone, which one are you using, dude? I've been thinking about getting one of those, but I don't think I need them. But they look cool. But I think I wouldn't get that used to that one. But they look cool. Okay, so props. I'm gonna place it here. This one's going to be wood beam. Holy shit. I just created a folder and shit just for that lame ass cube. But yeah, who cares? I need it. I need it. I really, really need it. So is this the right size? No, it is not. Holy shit. No, it is not. Import new file. This one. I could have done this one in Crocotile. I could have gotten a better result quicker in Crocotile. Maybe I will go into Crocotile. I'm thinking, yeah. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it looks. Okay, almost there. Import new file. This one's going to be 150. Okay, yeah, I think this one works. I'm just gonna scale it a bit. It's not gonna fuck up the texture that much. Okay, getting back to chat in a bit, people. Let me just place this shit here. Yeah, I may go and do this one in Crocotile. Even though it's very simple, I would like to use one of the textures from Pixel Basher, which would make it easier with Crocotile. But let's see how it looks. This is just like something very simple. I shouldn't worry that much about it. Wood beam 01. Okay, there it is. Yeah, that color sucks, so I'm gonna go back and fix it. Yeah, I do not like that texture. I'm gonna do this texture in... Definitely gonna do this texture in Pixel Basher. So let's go and do that, because I don't really like how this shit looks. Not at all. So I'm gonna do this in Crocotile and Pixel Basher. Let me just try and put the placeholder just for the sake of covering that thing, that like division that I do not want to see. Okay, so I'm getting back to chat in a bit. People, give me just a sec here while I place this shit, because I don't want to see that division. Okay, yes, this idea works. Yes, this idea fucking works, and it works better like this. Yeah, I hadn't thought about it. It is better if it goes like this. It isn't like covering the whole columns. Okay, so the music stopped. Let me reset that shit. Okay, reading chat so we can get the hang of the conversation. So Janimal says you're working alone. Janimal says to Polyphim you bought it. Janimal says you can run scripts as well on this keypad. Interesting, dude. HOM says I should stop being shy though and start posting. Yes, fuck yes, HOM. Don't be shy, dude. You do not know who you're gonna inspire with your shit on the internet. I agree with Defected Gaming. I agree. Stop being shy. Post it, dude. Nobody's gonna shed on it. And maybe I have gotten shed on Spaceman Memories and shit, but the good people are way more than the bad people, dude. And you're not even gonna think about the bad people in the bad comments, dude. So you should go for it. Polyphone says just an Epo Maker EK21. I used to use a PS3 nav controller, then I switched to a Joy-Con, but those were only for art. Now that I use my other apps, I changed to the numpad. Oh, Epo Maker EK21. This is what Polyphone is using for the numpad. That's interesting. I'm gonna show it here, just for the sake of getting the hang of the conversation. So this is the Epo Maker EK20. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. This jet looks cool, dude. That looks like some high-tech cyberpunk shit. It's got a knob, right? Yeah, dude. How much does these ones cost? That's really cool, Polytheme. Yeah, dude. This is on my lane. Yeah, I really like those aesthetics. Wow, really cool tool, dude. So Jalamal says I was an artist keeping my art myself for years. It's a lot easier to work on something that takes years when you're part of a community where you share and get feedback. HOM. Yes, dude. It is much easier, dude, to know that other people are working on the same shit like you and getting support, and people can give you feedback, can give you ideas, suggestions. I've gotten a lot of good ideas, dude, from live streaming here on Twitch and on YouTube. People tell me like, you should try this and that, and I have implemented those things into the game. So you could get some things out of the internet, dude. You should post it. Don't be shy. Polyphone says I program my numpad with auto hotkey for different scripts, right? For Blender, Ableton, they open and close and pause automatically. Yes, Polyphone, this EK21 can be programmable, which is really cool, dude. HM says, hell yeah, you should, dude. You should. Go for it, dude. Post your shit on the internet, your game, your art, whatever shit you're working, or anyone else that's watching. Don't be shy. There are more good people than bad people, and one bad comment, one hateful comment, it's not gonna be close to the good comments that you're gonna get on the internet. General says HOM, come on, post in the Discord. Come on, dude, post in the Discord. Polyfilm says like 30 bucks, not expensive. It's really cool, dude. That is a really cool looking keyboard. Defected says, does your game have a bridge? Every game needs a bridge. Does it have a bridge, dude? No, it doesn't at this point, dude. No, I haven't added any type of bridge at this point, dude. No, it doesn't. I'm thinking about it, and it doesn't, dude. Okay, so this shit isn't looking too bad. I may fix it later. I'm just not gonna overthink it for now. I'm gonna make it look better later. But yes, that covers that thing that was like at that division. So this already looks like the entrance of a dungeon, people. Very, very mysterious and shit. Yeah. It's cool. It's cool that I started with nothing and that now we are at this point. Okay, so I'm thinking this one doesn't look that cool. So maybe I'll get rid of that. Yeah, let's get rid of that because we already have the other shit glowing. So let's say bye-bye to that one. Let's go into the event graph and let's delete this one. Dungeon lift, play sound, the location. Yeah, where was this one? Okay, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this one and this one. Okay, I think that's all. Yes, that is all. So yeah, I do not need that one because now the button where I press, it's glowing, right? Yeah, that one's glowing. So this is working. This is working very, very cool. Let's try to get back up. I'm gonna fix the button. We can get back up. We can get back up, dude. I thought we could get back up. What the fuck is happening? Blueprint. Where did I disconnect anything that... Yeah, I think it was around here. Dude, this should be working. What the fuck is happening, dude? Oh, yeah. No. Yeah, let me check this out. So, component and overlap. Yeah. Okay, that one doesn't go there. Shit, yeah, dude. Did this one go here? Yeah, it was working earlier. When did it broke? Hestef says, yeah, you do have a bridge. Where, dude? Oh, yes, that is a bridge, right? I am fucking stupid, dude. I cannot believe this shit. There is a bridge right there. Defected. This is a bridge, dude. I have bridges. What the fuck am I talking about, dude? Yeah. Yeah, Hestef. Yeah. These are bridges. Yes. Check this one out. Yes. This is a bridge, dude. What the fuck am I talking about? I do have bridges. Polyphim says, yeah, I've seen bridges in the game, little ones, like leading to a temple. Yeah, dude, I'm talking shit. I am talking shit. We've got bridges. That was like, see, I keep telling all of you people I'm fucking stupid and you do not believe me, but I am. Defected says, if you had to do a bridge review. No, but I have bridges, dude. Hezdev says he has small ones. I have them, dude. I have them. Yes, I'm just talking shit there. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh shit. Yes, look at that one, dude. That is a bridge. And it's a cool looking one. I like the vibe of this one, dude. Okay, let's start this again. Let's see. The elevator was going back up at the beginning of the stream. What node did I disconnect that it isn't going back up? Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. Okay, so that's working. The button is going. Okay, awesome. I get off it. Yeah, it's kind of working. I broke it at some point in the live stream. I broke it, so I have to fix it now. Yeah, it's kind of working sometimes. Shit. Yeah, it shouldn't be leaving when I get off the thing. The fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna fix it later. Holy shit. Yo, almost 3 hours already. This has been a fun stream, people. Yeah, the conversations have been so good that I just lost the what is the right fucking term, dude? Yeah, I just got lost in time. Didn't know that so much time had gone throughout the live stream already. Defected says, are we sure this guy is okay? Are we sure this guy is okay? Are we sure am I okay, Defected? Who fucking knows, dude? I may just be crazy and all of you may all just be crazy, dude. That's why we come and hang out each night. Polyphene says, oh, I forgot. I also used ages ago a Logitech G13. Look it up, it's pretty cool, but it was too bulky. I know also use a Logitech G604 mouse that has some extra keys. Okay, let's check that one out. The Logitech G13. Defected says, sorry, I hit enter before I meant to phone type in. Yes, Hezdev. That Hezdev is like my English teacher. I lost track of time. That was the right term, the right phrase. Thank you, my English master. Really appreciate you. Defected says, track of time. Nerd 1, NerdyPunkDev 0. That is the score of today, dude. That is the score of today. Track of time 1, NerdyPunkDev 0. Okay, so let's check that one out. The one that Polyphene mentioned, the Logitech. Oh yeah, this. Oh shit, dude. This is some like high-tech shit. Looks like from a fucking airplane. This G13 one. Yeah, check it out, people. This is Polyphene's tech. Yeah, Polyphene lives like in the future. It's like this Colombian cyberpunk robot. Holy shit, dude. That is a cool looking one with the screen and shit. What the fuck does the screen do? Shit, dude. Yeah, that's a cool one, dude. Yo, so Sharvich, how are you? On YouTube, Charvich says, how do I learn blueprint scripting in Unreal for a 2.5D game like yours? Okay, Charvich, that is a very good question, and I'm gonna answer it right now, dude. The way that I learned blueprints for a 2.5D game like mine was here, dude, in YouTube through this guy. This is like the master of 2.5D or pixel art or anything, dude, with Unreal. Cobra Code, dude. Cobra Code has these very cool tutorials in which I learned. Let me show you the first one in which I learned how to make the character move and everything. So Cobra Code, top down. I think it was top down. Yes, this one, dude. So this tutorial is the one in which I started, dude. I'm gonna send it right now in chat. So there it is, dude. Cobra Code is the man, dude, for making 2.5D things. He has like some Udemy courses. He launched a free course sponsored by Epic like 2 weeks ago. It is on ArtStation. You can find Cobra Code on Twitter. Find him and follow him. He posts cool shit. So that's how I learned, dude. Are you like also trying to make one of these games in Unreal, Sharvish? Really cool, dude, if you are into that. Let's keep this conversation going if you're like thinking about this. Yalmal says the screen display is current Ethereum price. On that keyboard, dude, the one that Polyphene is using, Polyphene says, yes, look for Cobra Code. Yes, has a new tutorial. Yes, the one that I mentioned. Yes, dude, Cobra Code is the man. This is the man in Unreal Engine for 2D stuff and pixel art. Yalmal says, I did Cobra Code top-down course in January. Yeah. Sharvich says, sure, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you for watching, dude. Really appreciate it. Yes, you are for a personal project of mine. Is this a personal project for like something that you wanna like turn into a game that you wanna sell? Is this like a school project? Which kind of thing? Sounds interesting, dude. How long have you been working with Unreal Engine? Gentleman says, I still have the Cobra Code art assets to replace. Yes, dude. Cobra Code is the man. I have learned so much from this guy. He's very chill. Have like had like some very cool conversations on Twitter with him. This is a really, really good teacher. Polyphene says, I guess it could. Yes, it could display the the Ethereum price on the screen, right? Funny thing, nerdy, that G13 is old tech. Actually, it's pretty old. What, dude? It really looks like some futuristic shit with that screen, dude. It really does. Okay, what else can we add here? Then let's... Yeah, I know what else can we add here. We can add like some of the other props. Yeah, the ones that we have on the shrine. So shrine props. Where are the vases? Yes, the vases, dude. Yeah, we can add vases here. Gonna make this one bigger. A bit bigger. We're not gonna be able to throw them like in Zelda, right? But they are good props. They really change the vibe of a place. So let's add some vases here. Okay, something like this. Garbage. It's a school project. Cool, dude. Cool. Like, what is like the when do you have when is it due? When is the project due? And what type of game are you thinking for making for the project, dude? Yeah, I could like, I'm not like a super master, dude, like an expert, but I have learned a lot from the engine, dude, and everything. So I could tell you like which mistakes you shouldn't make, like the ones that I made. So yeah, dude, hit me up on Discord if you want to talk more, if you need any advice. I am NerdyPunkDev on Discord also. I've got a server too if you wanna join. So you were thinking about a basic beat 'em up game. Okay, dude, so you should definitely check out the ArtStation course from Cobra Code, because yes, check that one up. If it is a beat 'em up, you should definitely check that one up, because I think he did some things that could help you there for that kind of an idea, Sharvich. Yeah, definitely, dude. Sounds cool, dude. When is it due? Okay, yeah, the vases changed the vibe. Yeah, I need some vases here. It looks like a dungeon. Really looks like a dungeon, right? Okay, gonna put this one like that. Okay, let's start. Yeah, now it's too fucking much. Yeah, I always overdo it. Okay, now it's cool. Now it's cool. That's enough for me. So let's make this asymmetrical. I do not want symmetry there. So let's make it asymmetrical. Getting back to chat in a second, people. Let me just move around these things. So Hezef says, Nerdy, you should join my Discord server. Dude, I should. But yeah, maybe I didn't join, dude, because you told me one time that most people were not active, but they are getting active now, dude, after the game jam and shit. Yes, Hezef, send it to me right now on Discord so I can put it in chat right now also. Yeah, did you send it to me before? Let me check it out, dude. Let me check it out. Send me the link right now, dude, through Discord so we can ping it right now in chat for anyone that wants to join it too. Yeah, I'm gonna join, dude. You told me that you had like this experience with TikTok, right? And that many people were not active, and I thought that you weren't using it that much because of that. So maybe I misunderstood you. Paulfin says, yes, they are going for $500 now. That keyboard, so it is like some like golden shit, right? Yeah, the fact that says, yeah, he should on stream. Pressure, yes, dude. I'm gonna join here on stream. Hisham says, I need a cheeseburger and fries. I'm hungry. I can't think. I ate one, dude. I ate a cheeseburger like 4 hours ago from Burger King. Do you people like Burger King? I know there's a lot of hate for Burger King, but I fucking love Burger King, people. You cannot imagine how much I love Burger King. That is like the love of my life. HM says, add chains. Yes, dude. I'm gonna add the chains. I don't think I'm gonna add them today, dude. It would be tomorrow. Cause yeah, I'm gonna end the stream in a couple minutes. So I'm gonna keep working on this tomorrow. We're getting the hang of this, dude. We're getting the hang of these entrances and shit. This is already looking like something, right? It didn't look like anything like 2 days ago. Now it looks like something. We got the elevator working and shit. It makes sense. We get into the dungeon. We're in the underground, so that makes sense. So Hazef says sent it in DMs. Okay, dude. Yes. Polyphene says you crave one hamburger right now. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I fucking love hamburgers, especially from Burger King. Even though people hate it. Many people hate Burger King. Do not know why. Because for me, it is like one of the loves of my life, dude. So there it is in chat, people. This is HazeDev Discord. Yeah, dude, maybe I misunderstood you when you said that many people weren't using it that much and everything. But I just joined. Here it is. So what do you want notifications for? YouTube videos, live streams, progress on projects, game jams, assets, everything. Let's fucking go, everything. Okay, finish. So there it is. We are inside HazeDev Discord. So I'm gonna post shit, dude. I'm gonna post shit. Let's revive this community, because you told me that people weren't that active as you wanted. So let's revive that community, dude. Let's fucking do that. Okay, let me get back to chat. So yeah, chat, there it is. This is HazeDev, also fellow game developer, Unreal Engine game developer, making very cool chat. That is his Discord server. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Let's revive it. Let's do that. Yanamal says to Polyphim, what was the name of that burger place in Colombia with hamburguesas criollas? What is the name of that one, dude? Where the meat is made not with meat, but with what? But with what, dude? What is it made with? The hamburgers. Okay, so this is looking cool. We're gonna add some change tomorrow and shit, like HOM said. Gotta decide like which other things I wanna add. Yeah, but it's looking already like the entrance of a dungeon, right? Yes, now it makes sense. And these ones look cool. They are different than the ones that I'm using right there in the underground. So I'll keep extending on this idea tomorrow, people. I will keep extending on this idea, and I'm gonna make some variations of other entrances with other shapes. I wanna try a circular shape. This is a square one. I wanna try like a circular one to see how it looks. What is the vibe there? If I can make it work here in 2.5D HD2D. So I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. Yo, Intervision just followed on Twitch. How are you, Intervision? Thank you for following me. Really appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time to watch, dude. Really appreciate it. So, yo, Taco. How are you, my dude? Really cool that you're back in the channel. How has your day been, your weekend? So this is Taco, people. We were talking with Taco about tacos yesterday. Yeah, let's not talk about food, people. I'm gonna go and eat at fucking midnight, and that is not healthy for me. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go and make some food after the stream. So Darknet One says, can I post my year-old and have work on my card game? Haze, all drawings? Dude, post your... I think you should post your shit on HazeDev Discord. I saw some channels for art, so I'm pretty sure you can post there. Yes, spam the server. I don't care, says HazeDev. It's so dead. So spam that shit, dude. Spam it. So Taco, how are you, dude? Thank you for saying that it looks nice. Thank you. Yeah, I've been working on the idea, dude. Extending the idea, make it look better, change the vibe and everything. So it is working, dude. It is really, really working. So I'm at that, dude. I'm at that. How about you, Taco? What are you up to today? Okay, awesome. Awesome. We've got the dungeons and shit. In the next few weeks, I'm gonna show the battles inside the dungeons, the enemies, the NPCs, the enemies and shit inside the dungeons, people, in the next few weeks. I'm just like polishing some shit about that, but I'm gonna feel comfortable about showing more of that in the next few weeks, I promise. Okay, so there we have it. There we have it. This is what we have currently in this dungeon. We're gonna keep extending this idea and shit. And things are looking cool. The vibe is looking cool in the dungeon. I like the entrance, like the lobby and shit. Yeah, people, this is looking cool. Thanks a lot for watching. This is really cool. So, Hezdev says on Kick, we have industry professionals in my server. They stop from time to time to comment on people's stuff. Oh, shit, dude. Lots of cool as fuck people. Let's get some more awesome people. Let's stop for chilling bullshit. Yes, Hezdev, I didn't know about it, dude. You just told me the negative things about your server, dude, when I met you. You just told me that it was dead. You didn't tell me this kind of shit. So yes, dude, I'm gonna start spamming that shit also. Yes, definitely will start spamming it. The fact it says it's looking good for sure. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate it. So yeah, there it is. That's the dungeon we've been working on these last few weeks. We're working on a lot of things about the game, right? Like dungeons and mechas and Blender and animation and shit. So the live streams have been very, very good. I think this is the 39th or 38th live stream. Do not know when I'm getting to 40. Maybe it's tomorrow. Maybe I'm getting to 40 live streams in a row tomorrow. So let's come back tomorrow to celebrate. Yeah, maybe. I think it's tomorrow, the 40th one. I'm gonna check that out. I'm not sure about it. Yanimal says, I love the blur in the distance. Thank you, dude. That was some tricky shit to figure out when I started with Unreal Engine, dude. And it didn't look as good as it looks right now. Yeah, it really looked different at the beginning. So, yeah. Cool stuff, dude. Cool stuff that I was able to figure many things out here in Unreal Engine. So people, this was a really cool fucking live stream, really cool fucking conversations. I'm coming back tomorrow, 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time from the US. Remember, wishlist Spaceman Memories. There it is in the pinned message. Send it to your friends and shit. Post it everywhere. Spam that shit. I'm not gonna get angry if you spam my link on Steam on another place. Please do it. Please do that shit. So wishlist Spaceman Memories, and also if you want to join my Discord server, I'm gonna link it right now. For anyone that's watching. You want to see other people's work, you want to see my work, you want to ask me any questions, there it is in chat. This is the NerdyPunkDev Discord server. So the fact it says it's looking good for sure. Thank you, dude. The fact it says spam my shit too, everyone. Yes, let's spam each other's work and shit. Yeah. Darknet One says, I got buildings on fire though. It auto explodes when game runs in Discord. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. I'm gonna check that out. Polyphone says, yeah, everybody, have a nice week. Thank you, my dude. Have a good night. Have a good night rest. And everyone else also have a nice week. Thank you everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. Do not forget to follow and subscribe wherever you are watching. This support means a lot to me. I'm a solo dev, solo creator and everything. I do all of this shit by myself. So this kind of support from all of you means a whole fucking lot, people. You can't imagine how much it means. So thank you for watching. Darknet One says, you want to spam shit? Yeah, dude, let's spam each other's shit everywhere. Taco says, good stream. Have a good one, bro. Thank you, Taco. Really cool that you came back. Really appreciate it. Have a good Monday, dude. Calavero says, finish already. Yeah, dude, it's 3 hours already. I do not want to overdo it. When I overdo it, I'm tired the next day. So I do not want to overdo it. I'm gonna go and keep working on the game after the stream because I have to figure out some shit. I'm like in like hard mode right now for the Tokyo shit. So yeah, I gotta be smart about my time. So I'm gonna keep working on the game, but coming back tomorrow for the same 3 hours, 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Calavero says, when is it? 2 weeks, dude. From this Sunday to the next one. So 2 Sundays. It's 2 Sundays. So yeah, I've got 2 weeks. 2 exact weeks. So later, everyone, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. Yo, by the way, if you're on Twitch, let's fucking rate someone. Let's fucking rate someone. If you're on Twitch, we can rate someone that is working on games or software or anything, just to spread the good vibes, right? Let's see if our friend Joey is I am pretty fucking sure Joey Toro is streaming, because this guy is really into long hours now. Joey Toro is really surprising me with the hours that he's pulling on Twitch. So yeah, maybe Joey is still online. Let's see. If not, I'm just gonna find a random stream which is into software or game dev. Okay, so the raid one, yes, Joey Toro is online, so I'm raiding Joey Toro. Thanks a lot everyone for watching, really appreciate it. Bye bye, have a good night.